Hello, welcome. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Tonight, I'm very excited about starting up a new game today. We're gonna do some Uncharted 4, and I've been waiting for this one for a long time. Went through the trilogy. Gosh, it's been over a month now that I finished the third one. Maybe 2 months. It's been a long time. Hey, Fast Fox, how's it going? Happy Saturday. How's your evening? Welcome. I'm getting back to the Uncharted series, the fourth and final one, A Thief's End. We'll see how it goes. I've never played before. But as is tradition, we're going to start with some UI, of course. And good scrubbing growing on Rocket League. Oh, nice. Excellent. Very cool. Is it a new season? You climbing up the ladder? Sounds very cool. Yeah, so eventually I'll have to I gotta download that again on the console. I had it on did I already download? I don't think I did. It was on my PS4. Long time ago. Yeah, I gotta download it on this one. But today we're going to look at some UI for Uncharted and try to recreate it. Now, I haven't played the game yet, so I don't really know much about the UI. I did get a sneak peek of the opening menu, and so that's what we're going to focus on today. So hopefully it works. You've got 5 more tiers until you finish. Nice, very cool. Hello, Quicks. How you doing? Welcome. Good to see you. Are you having a good night? We're gonna start Uncharted 4. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm excited too. It's gonna be great. If you haven't gotten a recap of the first 3 games, I'll make sure that I give you kind of a quick synopsis first. But so just in summary, think Tomb Raider meets Indiana Jones, basically. That's how I would describe it. Today, we're going to look at some UI, and again, I haven't played it yet. I briefly I installed it. I looked really quickly at what I could do. I actually did peek at the multiplayer option, but I didn't it started a tutorial and I was looking for something that I could actually try to recreate, and I didn't want to do any spoilers, so instead today we're doing the menu screen, which it maybe it's not as flashy, but I was looking at what was going on here, so check it out. So this is the first screen, and when you move up and down, again, this is on PlayStation, so I guess, well, yeah, it's not on PC, so this is the only way we can experience this goodness. You forgot to watch the backstory stuff, though. That's okay. We'll take care of that. We're gonna focus today's SwiftUI portion on recreating this screen. Now take a look. This is what is pretty cool. As you cycle through the menu options, you'll see that the highlighted text, or the highlighted option, has this little this beam of light, and the word gets moved to the right, and also the text color is a little bit brighter than the other options. So we're gonna do that, and then check this out. The options menu has the same thing, except it doesn't move. So we're gonna see how we can recreate this, and depending on the context, if you're inside, if you're nested in the menu, whether or not you get that little animation. So that's what we're doing today, and I'm going to now see if we can get our desktop display capture to show. And we're going to take our game and we're going to do this. Whee, all the way over there. I'm going to move me down. And yeah, that's our thing today. Okay. So we have our new we have a new Xcode app. And we're going to call it Uncharted 4 menu. Next, and create. So the background audio is just kind of ambient, just like echoes and not a whole lot going on. So no crazy music tracks happening in the background. So I apologize in advance if my soothing voice lulls you to sleep, but hopefully this will be nice and interesting. All right. You guys ready for this? Okay. We got our regular hello world. So we always start with our hello world. And what are we going to do? Well, we want to recreate a menu item. A menu item. So we're going to do a little bit of we're gonna create a model or a view model. Now we haven't really done this very much in these streams. We've just focused on a view, but in SwiftUI, you have your code that focuses on the drawing, but then you've also got other code that kind of acts as like your data source, like what to draw. The view is how to draw it. The view model is what you're supposed to draw. Kind of make sense? And so what we're going to do is we're going to first create a view model struct. And we're just going to place it up top here above the content view. And we have some menu items. Okay. So we're going to create a property. We're going to call it menu items. And this is an array of strings. And it's a computed property because we've basically defined it like so. So we just had to create like an array. So I can just say it's an empty array, and that's not really anything special. But if we go back to the options, they are story, multiplayer, which guys, we can do multiplayer in this game. I'm so excited. And yes, you can get a PlayStation and play with me on multiplayer. It would be so fun. We have 5 options. Well, we have 5 menu items. Options being one of the menu items. Story, multiplayer, survival mode, which I don't quite know what it is, but I'm guessing it's like waves of enemies or whatever. I don't know. Extras and options. So, yeah, the compiler doesn't care about white space, so you can make it as organized as you want. So this is an array. So whenever we call view model menu items, this is what we'll get. It's essentially a constant. In fact, we could probably even we could even use like the let keyword, which denotes a constant. Like we could just say let menu items, which is a type string, equal, and then we could just do this. So that's another way you can write it. Hey, I heard multiplayer. Maybe I'll re-download then. Yes, absolutely. Did you download it and then delete it, MK? Don't delete it. No, undeleted. Did you run out of space already on your console? Actually, I'm not sure how much space it takes up. It's probably a hearty download. Anyway, welcome to the stream, MK Murray. Good to see you. we are doing SwiftUI Uncharted 4 menu, and we have some menu items. So as you can see, again, in the, just make it a little bit bigger here. This is what we're looking at. We are going to recreate this fun effect. So we scroll through our menu items here. I have no idea what that pirate skeleton hanging in a trap is doing. So I guess we'll find out in a bit once we start playing the game. But that's what we're doing. So in our content view, we're going to use a couple of structures to display these items. One thing that we want to do is, well, first of all, we have to create a property. So a state variable view model equals view model with a capital. And so we've just created it there. And now we can say text. We can say, we can pick any one of these menu items. We can say the text is going to be view model dot menu items, and then we'll just like take the first item in the array. And what does that do? Let's move this over here a little bit. Just use the pirate skeleton hanging in a cage emoji. Yeah. That's a good idea. I guess I mean for PS5. Oh, I see. You ran out of space on PS4. Oh, did you download it on the PS4? Oh, I see. I see what's going on. Yeah, he's definitely chilling. That's a good idea. I could use a pirate emoji. So we could put an image in this little menu. That'd be fun. I'm thinking that we might need to use like the iPad screen to fit this all, but we'll see. Okay, so we've just shown that after defining our view model, having one property named menu items, and we can say, hey, give me a text of the first item in that array, and that, again, that shows story here. So, okay, working so far. It's been years since I played Uncharted 4. Oh, I forgot that you played this game already. It's been out for quite a bit. This is one of the free games that I got on the PS Plus service as a PS5 owner. One of 20 excellent games. And yeah, wow, I've been waiting for this for a long time. Okay, so I hope Goalie joins tonight. Yeah, I hope so too. That'd be cool. All right, Fast Fox. We'll see you when you get back. Yeah, we should ping him. I posted in the Discord that I was streaming Uncharted today. So, okay. Now, what are we gonna do? Well, we want to make it look. We want to make it look like what we see in the game. But first, we want to show some. We want to be able to show all the items, right? We don't just want the first one. We want the whole. We want the whole thing. I don't want a piece of you. So for that, what we got to do is we can't just use a text. In fact, let us command click and embed this in a Z stack, as we are wont to do. We first start with a color. We'll just say black, and we're going to say ignores safe area. Okay, I just made that a one-liner. Typically, when you put a view modifier, most code examples that you see on the interwebs will do like a carriage return. So for every view modifier here, so it ignores the safe area. And now the text, you can't actually see it because the text is in foreground color black. But if we make it dot blue, then you can see it. That's our story there. I pre-ordered Uncharted 4 back in the day. Couldn't wait. Oh yeah, gosh. I don't blame you. After having played a very late comer to the series, I don't blame you for having pre-ordered that. I mean, typically it's like, remember, no pre-orders. But this that series has been very reliable. So yeah, I don't blame you for that. So what do we got here? We've got our black background color, and we have our text, but we want something other than just a text. Okay. Okay. What we want to do is we want to use our good old friend VStack, because we're going to show an array of items. So let us create a VStack. And I guess I could have put that in there. Yeah. So the text is inside the VStack. There's nothing else in there. But what we want to do is we want to do a for each. Remember, a for each is a struct. It is not a view, but it returns a collection of views. Okay. And what we have to do is we need to, in parentheses, describe our data source. So that's going to be viewModel.menuItems. And then in the trailing closure, there's going to be an argument passed in, and that's the item for the menu items. And what this does is, here, hold up, Control I. There we go. It's mad at me because I need to use an input argument that conforms to a protocol that allows you to like uniquely identify what you're passing in. And right now it's just an array of strings, and an array of strings by themselves are not identifiable. And so for that, what I have to do is I have to add a second argument called ID, and going to make that, I think it goes /.self. Is that right? Okay. Okay, so now you can see that for every item in the view model's menu items array, what it will do is it'll call this this closure. And we've said text view model menu items 0, but we just want the item. Okay. So we just say text item, and now we have our items. Isn't that swell? So cool. We're done. Good job, guys and gals. Just kidding. We have a lot more to do. So let's check this out. We want to make this look. Well, we want to do something when we click on it, right? So one thing that we can do is we're going to add another state property. We're going to call it selected, and it's going to be a bool type. We're going to say false. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a view modifier on the VStack itself, and it's going to be on tap gesture. And then, so every time this vertical stack is tapped, we're going to toggle the selected property from false to true and back again. And what does that do? Well, whenever any state property is changed, it forces a redraw of the entire view. And so what we can do is, for example, we can, using our selected property, we can use a ternary operation and say, hey, are you selected? Then I want you to be a blue color. Otherwise, I want you to be green. Okay. So let's press resume, and it starts out where selected is false. So we should see that everything shows up green, but now it's not going to. There we go. All right, we're good. Oh yeah, Uncharted menus have cool sounds and animations when you cycle through. Yeah. I thought this would be a great place to start. So let's press the button here and see what happens. Oh, now it's blue. Now it's green. Now it's blue. Now it's green. Australia, America, Australia, America. Okay. But that's not what our menu looks like, is it? Hey, Fast Fox, welcome back. So what you missed is we just created our menu, And now every time we tap, it toggles back to blue or green. That's pretty cool, but it's not the end game. What we want to do is we want to provide a cool animation in here. And first of all these text views are centered. We don't want that. We want it to be aligning left. So in our VStack, what we want to do is we want to add that argument, alignment, leading. And what that does is that left aligns all of our text views. So now it's looking more like a menu here. What's your Epic Games? What's my Epic Games? My Epic Games account? I actually do have an Epic Games account that I use to download the free game from the Epic Games Store every week, but I haven't played any of them. I'm just collecting them, right? Collect all the free stuffs, right? You got to do it. They by the way, they just made Battlefront 2, was it? Which I've never played. They made that free like a couple of weeks ago. Did you guys get it? I can't play any of these games because my PC's not ready, so they're just kind of lying in wait. Oh, Quicks, you get it? You get it too? Fast Fox, you got Borderlands 3 that way? Sweet, that's awesome. The name, I'd have to find out. It's a different name. It's not this Twitch account name. It's a different one. Yeah, what is it? I don't know. Because Epic Games bought Rocket League. Oh yeah, that's right. You're right. Let me make a note to myself, Fast Fox, because I don't remember what it is. I have to log in, but again, I use a separate login for Twitch streaming, so I can't access that here. I've done that by design, so I don't accidentally show you guys sensitive information. But I've made a note to find that. You have Bountiful. Yeah, it was a pretty crazy sale, and actually that caused a controversy, if you will, on Steam, because all people who had downloaded the game on Steam were worried that like all of their past like trophies and things would get like taken off, or even if you had downloaded it on like say PlayStation, they were worried that like because Epic Games is like trying to like push its own storefront, that like people on Steam might get like shafted somehow. I'm not sure. I haven't really been following it closely, but anyway, I remember that was a big hullabaloo. Okay, you can set. You'll send me yours. Thank you. Yeah, sounds good. I would love to play Rocket League again. That was quite the fun spectacle. Okay, where are we at, you guys? So we've got our menu. We can toggle now, but we want to do a cool animation. So let's figure this out. First of all, we're going to define another view, okay? And we're being bad, and we're just putting everything inside a single file. Usually, you want to you want like a separate file for all of your types, like all of your views. But we do a single file to hide their numbers. Sweet. Okay. Thank you. I'll add you. Appreciate that. So we're gonna create another view. Bro, what's up, bro? How's it going? Welcome. We're doing UI for Uncharted 4 today. Are you way mass excited? Because I am. We're gonna create something called a menu item. Faux show. Struct menu item, and this is also a view. And remember, in SwiftUI, all views must provide a body. Actually, I tried having Xcode do this for me, but it looks like it's getting confused. Is it good for me? All right, we're gonna just do this copy and paste. So we have every view has to provide a property called body, and it returns some view. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag this guy, text item foreground color selected, and we're going to put him right here. So it's a text. But menu item doesn't know what item is. It doesn't know what selected is. So we have to do is we're going to create some more properties. One is going to be a title, and it's a type string. One's going to be called selected, and that's type bool. And you'll notice that I'm not providing initial values, which forces you to have to provide them on initialization. So we're going to change this to title. Now this should work. So now down here, I can replace this stuff with menu item. Menu item, and then when you, then the compiler says, well, you need to provide a title and a selected property. I say title. Oh, that's easy. I'll just say item. And selected, I'm going to say selected. That should work, right? Huzzah! Does it work? Does it work? Oh, preview crashed. Let's try it again. Okay, now it works. Yosh. Okay, so what we've effectively done is we've created a new view, this guy. So it kind of helps us keep ourselves a little bit organized. So the menu item, all it knows how to do is provide a text view with some string that gets input on creation, and applies a foreground color and some padding. All right, so there we are. Now, here is going to be where things get a little bit interesting. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to add a offset. Okay. We're going to put it here right before the padding. So this offset is a view modifier that, again, does what you think it does. It draws it at an XY offset. So we're going to say, we're going to do our ternary option again. We're going to say, hey, are you selected? If so, the offset in X is going to be 25. If it's not selected, we'll just say it's 5. Mine. And now, let's try this again. Do I have to reset? Let's see. So now it's like doing that left-right thing, right? Ba, 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 nah. Are they all sharing the same selected value? They are right now. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that. In fact, I can fix that right now. I can do a little hack here. I can say, let's see. We're gonna need to add another. We're gonna say selected index, and this is going to be an integer. We're gonna make it. Well, we'll start with. What? We're gonna define our selected index is gonna be 0 at first. So now, check it. What we're gonna do is, okay, now we're breaking the app. Thank you, MK Murray, for keeping me honest. Now I have to say, selected index. So now here's what I got to do. I could say let is selected, which is going to be a bool, equal. I'm going to say, does the selected index, is that the same as the index of view model.menu items? Oh dear. Now I gotta figure out an index property. Abort. Abandon ship. Okay. Hold on a second. Oh. Wait a second. Now I gotta figure something. Okay, on tap gesture for the menu item. Maybe? Okay, we're broken. We got to do this. On tap gesture now has to be here, inside the menu item. Now we have to say selected. Oh, I know what we can do. We can make this a string. Selected option. Okay, we're gonna cheat. Okay, so hopefully you guys are following along. The selected option is going to be. We're just gonna say. we're going to say it's going to be story. Oh man, I'm totally hacking this. What I'm doing, you guys, for those who may be like, what are you doing? Is I'm forcing this selected option, which is now a string. It's not an integer. It's not an index. We're going to just capture a string, and we're going to say, hey, if you tap on this, if you toggle, sorry, we're going to nuke that. Selected is going to be is selected, and we're going to say, hey, is the selected option the same as our item? Okay, so hopefully that kind of makes sense. So what I'm basically doing is I'm doing a string comparison for each of these menu items, and I say, hey, does the selected option, is that the same thing as the item that's being passed in? If it is, then this is selected. On tap gesture, we're going to say selected option equals item. So we're basically assigning this property to the item when we tap on that particular row, if that makes sense. Sorry, I introduced too much complexity too early. MK Murray, how dare you, sir? It's okay. I think I recovered from it. It's not rocket science, but it's close. Meanwhile, I'm watching the Matrix language unfold in front of me. Oh, that would be pretty sweet. That effect with the vertical animation. That'd be fun. We should do that sometime in SwiftUI. That's a great idea, Quix. I will attribute that idea to you. So we're doing a little bit of calculation here. We're saying, hey, for every menu item, we're passing the item in, which is a string. So like for the first one to be story, we're saying, hey, is this word story, is that equal to the selected option here? If it is, then we're going to pass true to the is selected property. Otherwise it'll be false. So this little expression right here, this returns, like if I put this in parentheses, that returns true or false. And so that is going to be assigned to the is selected variable that I put here. Actually, it's a constant with the let. Show us how it's done. All right, here we go. Let's see. Let's see if this works. You guys ready for this? Let's zoom back in. Updating took more than 5 seconds. Come on, you can do it. Do it now. So we're focusing on functionality right now, and then we'll work on the form later, right? We'll make it look Uncharted-y, Uncharted 4E. If this, come on, you can do it. Oh, okay, so check it out, you guys. So now, I can tap. The one that's tapped is the one that becomes the selected option. Isn't that cool? Yay! Hooray! Sudo, make all this work, please. Yes, the sudo command is definitely helpful here. Cool. So now we have our menu set up. So that's getting functional. Ooh, ah. Yes, see how it is beautiful. We don't want blue and green though. We want it to look like our menu items. Did you beat Red Dead, Ross Hunt? Yes, I finished the story on Saturday. Sorry, Thursday. I finished it Thursday, 2 days ago. Tears were shed. Man, that was a heartbreaking but awesome story. So I guess now a few years later, so I haven't finished like the epilogue or whatever it is. But yeah, we finished the main story on Thursday. Oh my gosh, it was so good. That was so incredible. Man, that game, definitely top 3 for me. Absolutely. I need to play the epilogue with John. Yes, I do. And I will. Maybe, well, we'll see how this goes with because Uncharted 4 is going to take like 1/10 of the time, I think. I hope. Usually, like most of the Uncharted games are like 10 to 15 hours of gameplay, right? So that translates to about 5 streams worth for me. Okay, so what I want to do is I don't want to use blue and green. I want it to look like our Uncharted. Welcome back, Fast Fox. Now we have functionality here. So our menu, we actually, they're not all moving together. It's just one at a time. And let's add an animation, shall we? We're going to make, so again, with animations in SwiftUI, you need to use the animation view modifier. Hold up. Hold up. Let's not put that in the menu item. I feel like we should put that in the main content view, because the menu item itself, it's just showing things, and we may or may not want it to be offset. So we're gonna put our animation here when we call the menu item, and it's ease in by default. So let's see what that does. Aha! Look at that, beautiful. So now it's got a little bit of duration there, but I want duration to be a little bit quicker. We're gonna say, oh, hold up. I think I have to do animation dot ease in. We'll do ease in out with duration of 0.3. How's that? About the same. Camera 1, camera 2. Could be a little bit quicker. Let's just do 0.1. Ha ha ha. There we go. Wow, so easy for that animation. Isn't that right? Boom. It's just a single line, you know? And what this animation is doing is taking into account any property change in this menu, which fixes the foreground color and the offset of each of these menu items, right? Let's change the colors, right? Blue and green are nice for just a proof of concept, but we actually want some cool colors. I took the liberty of preparation, you guys. You guys mean a lot to me, and I wanted to come prepared. Not like that last stream where I was like, hey, what are we going to do today? Let's draw some circles. And it went spectacularly south. Actually, it was a little bit entertaining. But I was like, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to define some colors here. So, copy paste. Don't get mad. We're going to do an extension on the color type. Okay. So with SwiftUI, in order to like add functionality to existing types that you may or may not have written, you can make extensions. These extensions are basically colors. And what I did was this is the RGBA initializers. And what I did was I tried to like take this menu and I basically used the color picker. So if you're familiar with the color, the digital color meter, this guy, very handy. You can like go in and you be like, hey, I want to grab this RGB color. It's just basically where your cursor is. So that's how I grabbed the values. So I had OBS on a screen and I was like, does it look like this? So that's how I did that. So I've got these three defined colors, UC4 for Uncharted 4, text highlight, text, and border, which we will see in a moment. UC, so we can use these. Now, instead of selected, the foreground color, these are colors. So I can just say dot UC4, UC4 text highlight if it's selected. Check it, yo. Else, it'll just be your regular UC4 text. Does that work? Let's resume. Now, our colors will look a little bit more Uncharted 4E. It's thinking though. Updating took more than 5 seconds. I'm so sorry. Try again. There we go. Look at that. That's very Uncharted 4E. Wouldn't you guys agree? Maybe a little bit easier to see if I if I do this, font that title, and now you can see them in all their glory. Okay, boom. That looks like the right color scheme, right? Yeah. I think so. Yeah, the color makes all the difference. I mean, you guys understand this, right? You for a user interface to like be engaging, like the color palette has to be on point. You know what I mean? We're missing something here, though. Do you guys see it? You guys see what we're missing? Let us go back and take a look at our good old friend here that's just kind of chilling. What do we got here? We've got a little highlighted effect. We got this little flashlight effect that's going on when we go back and forth. So let's make that. You guys ready? Oh yeah, let's do this. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Okay, I got to figure out a better layout for this, you guys. Like how you can see the code and also like the current game of choice. Maybe I just get rid of me and just put this like right here. Well, then, now you can't see the menu because I'm in the way. But luckily, the text is to the right of this, so I think we're okay. Is it hard to match the sound from the game? Is there a sound library? That is a great question. So you're saying like the little like sound effects that happen if you change the options? Yeah, so audio design is extremely difficult to recreate an existing sound from scratch. I mean, there's Foley work, which does sound effects. You guys have seen like movie documentaries, right? Where like there'll be like the guys with like the coconuts next to the microphone, like doing like the horse gallops and stuff. But like these little like electronic sounds or beeps, those are a little bit easier. But again, like usually it's like there's a texture of sounds that will be played like overlaying on top of each other, and that would probably be like a stream in itself. So we're just going to focus on the visuals, but that's a great idea to like make it even more perfect. Perfection. Okay, so we need to add something here to our text. So this is, again, we're focusing on the menu item here. How can we do a better effect? Well, I'll tell you. It turns out that if we make our menu item a color and then overlay the text on top of it, then we get this interesting effect. So we're going to say we're gonna do this. Let's see. If something is selected, then it gets the highlight, right? But if it's not selected, then we have no highlight. But we have to have something, right? So we're gonna say let highlight color, and this is of type color, equal, and then we're gonna say, hey, we're gonna just use this exact statement here. Are you selected? If so, you are going to be, you would think it would be highlight, but no, it's actually, I don't know what the actual color is, but I just pretended it was UC4 text. Because there's a little bit of like opacity going on, there's a little bit of blur. It'd be funny to be seeing me do Foley. Actually, that would be pretty fun. What I would need is, you know what, I would need a setup. I would need to totally like transform this office into like an absolute like studio, like with like a dedicated, you know, you get like multiple cameras, right? Like if you guys ever seen Bajo, his stream, he's like this entertainer from Australia and he does amazing stuff. He's got like he's like over the top bunch of cameras, bunch of like cool effects for when people follow and subscribe and stuff. And he utilizes the green screen a lot. Another guy that does green screen stuff on the science and technology side is Primogen. Is that his name? So I was thinking, in the future, when things get a little bit more serious, maybe I'll invest into some more equipment. We'll see. Mendo dude, thank you so much for the follow. Thank you. I didn't hear that, you guys. Why is the overlay? That didn't work for some reason. Normally I would hear it. Did you guys hear it? Did you guys hear the effect? You heard the sound? Okay, excellent. For some reason it wasn't passing through to my Okay. But thank you so much, and welcome to the stream. I hope you have an enjoyable day with us. What are you a SwiftUI enthusiast, or an Uncharted 4 enthusiast, or both? Either way, welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your time with us. Welcome. Okie dokie. We are a wannabe. Hey, me too, right? I am a noob at SwiftUI, and this is my first time playing Uncharted 4, so I'm super excited. And the way that my streams work now is that the first part is we're going to do a little bit of SwiftUI. That's the context is the game that I'm going to play, so some element from the game I work on, and then we play for a little bit after that. So yeah, thanks for joining us. So what I'm doing here is, in my menu item, I'm going to define this highlight color that's based on whether or not I'm selected. If it is, I'm going to say it's the Uncharted 4 text color, which we've defined all the way up here. And if it's not going to be UC4 text. It's going to actually be clear. The highlighted color is going to be clear, and you know what that does? It means you're not going to be able to see it, even though it's there, even though the color is there. You're not gonna be able to see it. I'm so excited. Watch this, you guys. I did a little bit of prep, so I know that it's actually going to work. We're going to say highlighted color, and then we use the overlay modifier. Now, what this is doing is we're going to grab this guy. Yoink. Okay, you should see a change in the menu now. Now you've got this little background thing. You're a mad scientist. Look at this. Here we go. Let's go back to preview mode, and boom, we have a background color now that shows if we're selected. We got the animation going. So that's cool. So again, you can do things with SwiftUI. You can, like, there's no like one solution. Like you can go about it in a myriad of ways. I just choose to say I'm returning a color, which is a view, and I'm adding an overlay to it, which actually it helps, because if I did it the other way around, like if I did a text and like I did a background color, then you'd see like this weird thing happen when you shift the text animation. It like goes with it, and that's not what we want. We lost the left align. We did. Now watch what happens here. Comma, alignment, leading. And we're back. See that? Wasn't that glorious? Boom. Still cool. Okay. Now, this is looking pretty good, but it doesn't have that flashlight effect. So how are we going to fix that? Well, I'll tell you. First, we're going to do this. We're going to make a blur effect, and the radius is going to be 5. Why? Because I chose it. If we do 20, it gets kind of crazy blurry, right? Look at that. Look how crazy that is. Oh boy. But if we do something like 5, it's a respectable blur. Okay. But also, like, it's a little bit thicker than we want it. It's a little bit of I love how iterative programming is. Yeah, me too. Like once you have like the function in place, then you get to like work on the presentation layer, which I think you can go about it the other way around, but then like it's, I mean, they both have their pros and cons, but I like to start with just like a simple UI and make sure it like works, and then I can start to add the Chrome. All right. So anyway, we got this going on. Let's see what we can do. Well, we can apply a gradient effect. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another function, and I guess we can put this inside the actual menu item. We're going to call this method. It's just going to be called a highlight, and we're going to give it a single argument. It's going to be of type color. And remember, you guys, the underscore means that you don't have to type the argument name. You don't have to type the word color when you use this. This is going to return some view. And the reason why it's some view is that it could be anything. This highlight could be a shape, or sorry, it could be like a rounded rectangle with view modifiers on it. It could be like a capsule. It could be an image. It could be anything. What we want to do, we want to leave this open for modification. So I got to return something. What are we going to return? Well, I'll tell you. We are going to use a radial gradient. And we've done this before in some other projects where it requires a few arguments that are kind of crazy. So we've got a big initializer here, and we're defining everything in line. So it's just this big, a lot of text here. So the highlighted portion is the first argument, which is the gradient. Gradient is a separate type, and we're going to define that with colors. And we're going to say this is going to be an array of color. So the input argument is just going to be this color array. But we also want it to be, we want it to also include the clear color. And I'll show you why in a moment. Start radius, we're just going to say, we'll keep the default value there. And let's give it some opacity. We're going to say 0.5. Okay. And now what we can do is, let's see. Let me see here. Now, instead of highlight color, which is just a color, we want to provide highlight with the input argument highlight color. You see what we did? So now what we're effectively doing is calling this function, which returns some view, which is some radial gradient, using the color that's provided and the clear color with some opacity, and is right there. And then we do our view modifiers after that. So let's resume here. Let's see how it looks. Oh no. Okay. All right, so that's a little bit better. We could probably do some fine tuning here. So this end radius is probably a little too large. So let us go down, say something like 200, maybe 100. Okay, so now we're getting a little bit of an effect here. Okay. I think 100 is probably too little. So let's go back to 200. Okay, that's a little bit better. Still pretty thick though, right? Thick. Quick. That just stuck in my head. So we want to smash it down a little bit. If you recall, we have let's go back and zoom this thing again. Okay, so yeah, first of all, the spacing between these elements are a little bit too wide. So we're gonna fix that. And how you do that is we're gonna go back to reality. Oop, there goes rabbit. back to our content view where we have this stuff. We can actually provide a height modifier or a frame modifier to kind of force this to be a little bit more snug, if you know what I mean. What's that going to be? Let's just double check here. This menu item, we're going to give it a frame modifier with a height requirement of 50. Did that do anything? Kind of. What if we give it 20? 20. 20? Okay, that's a little bit better. Hey, Jazzy Panda, what's up? How you doing tonight? Good to see you. Yes, I did. Last week was my first affiliate stream. It was very, very exciting. Lots of fun. Was had by all, I think. So yeah, thanks. I appreciate that. Yeah, doing well. Do I know what Ace Combat 7 is? I have no idea what Ace Combat 7 is. What is Ace Combat 7? I do not know. Please teach me. I hit affiliate 2, but Twitch has been giving me problems, so I've not been able to set it up yet. Congratulations. That's awesome. That's wonderful news. Yeah, there's a lot of hoops you got to go through to get everything set up. I know that there was like you had to provide some tax information, and there were like 3 or 4 steps, weren't there? I hope you get that resolved as soon as you can. That's great, man. That's awesome. Congrats. I'm excited for you. That's great. Now you get to have your own emotes and badges. Oh, that's the coolest thing. Hey, you guys, check out Quix's badge. She just got it. Where are we at? This one. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? You guys go check out Quix. Her stream is really cool. She streams Dead by Daylight. Very cool stuff. Very scary stuff. Not for the squeamish. And Jazzy Panda is like a variety streamer. What did you do like recently? A lot of Cyberpunk and that racing game. Was that Forza 4? Oh, it was so cool. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that, and congratulations to you. Jazzy gets get a founder badge while you can. Oh yeah, the first 10. We don't have a founder. We don't have any emotes yet. We don't have any badges yet. Don't tell anybody. I gotta scramble now. I don't know what to do. Sorry, I had to go take off some makeup. Oh, you missed out on the coolness here. That's okay. You can come back and see. I just plugged your stream, Quix. I showed off your cool emote. Been doing a lot of guitar streams. Oh, that's cool. Nice. I remember you play acoustic, right? You will notice, Quix, that we now have a fully functioning menu with our really cool flashlight effect here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that glorious? Oh, it's a work of art. I said consummate fees. What if we wrapped this whole thing inside a border? What do you guys think about that? Let us do this. We're going to take this VStack and we're going to say background, and we're going to do a not rounded rectangle. No, don't autocorrect. Rectangle. And once we do that, we want to give it a stroke. A stroke of color dot. Check it out, guys. Color dot UC4 border. Dun 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 dun. Whoops. I think I do have to say color dot. Dun 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 dun. Can you make it make a click sound when you move to each one? Oh, I should do that. I should definitely do that. MK Murray was asking me about that too, the sound effects. I definitely should. On tap gesture. I would need to include like an audio framework, which I'm not yet prepared to do. Let's do padding. Nope, not there. Background and then padding. There we go. Check that out, you guys. Okay, so this comes from the options menu. So if I can put this back, and where did you go? I keep on switching my menus here. So I've got this really cool effect here. So I grabbed that as well when you use the options. And one thing that I wanted to show you guys is we're kind of running out of time today. But when you see how the animation happens on this main menu, but in the options menu, it does not. You see that subtle yet brilliant choice? There are differences here. So when you code a menu item and you have to decide whether or not to animate, that is the reason why I had decided to put the animation modifier outside of the menu item, because in some cases you'll want to, in some cases you will not want to. La 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 la. Here we go. There we are. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Your connection has been whack all day and it's so annoying. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Man, sometimes the internet in my place, it just goes so crazy. You know what I really need to do is I need to wire this up. If you guys can believe, well, it's been a while now. In the early days before the dark times, I would get a lot of disconnections on my stream. And I think part of the reason was because my bit rate was too high. And so like my Wi-Fi was like, oh, I can't do it. And probably need to wire this up. But I don't have wiring in my home. I gotta like either call someone or I gotta do it myself. But like the router is like in another room somewhere. And I really need to like wire everything up, which would be so much fun if I could do that. Straight up upgraded my internet when I started streaming. Yeah, that's the key. You got to have a great connection. Otherwise, it's sad panda. Let us see. I think we're pretty much. I think we're good for this, you guys. This is looking really nice. Some suggestions from chat were to. So let's add some to-dos. Sound effects for menu selection. What else did we have? I think that was 2 people had asked for that. Very rarely drop frames. I know it's been helpful. I think lately, so I moved it down to 3,000 megabits per second. I think it was. Sorry, 3 was it? Is it megabits per second or kilobits per second? I think it's MB. If it's video, it's got to be megabits per second. How about a meow to toggle each one? Okay. Meow. Meow 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 meow. I know you can read my thoughts, boy. All right. And with that, I believe we're in a good spot. So we could make this stream better by sound effects for menu selection, provide an actual options menu, like for if the user taps on options, like a second menu could come up, right? That would be kind of fun. And I think in that case, I probably would switch to an iPad view so that you could see like left and right, like kind of like what you see in the game. Get Paul Rudd to narrate the menu options. Paul Rudd to narrate menu options. Can I get a Flargenspart? What does he say? I'm okay. Put it in your comments. That drool emote, need it. Oh, drool emote. Okay. For quicks. All right. This is a good list. Definitely helpful, you guys. Oh, also, let's set the the border. Wait a minute. Stroke with the border. Hold on a second. How do I do the border? 1 second. Stroke. Oh, the line width. That's what we go. So we want it. It's a little thin, right? Let's do a line width of 5. Let's see how that looks. Come on, you can do it. Come on, preview. Give me the stroke border. Updating took 5 seconds. There we go. That's a little bit better. So boom, you guys. Nicely done, everybody. Congratulations. A winner is you. We don't yet know if Nathan Drake is drool for Quicks or not. Oh yeah. We will find out today. By the way, Quicks, required viewing is the Nathan Fillion short film on YouTube of Drake. We shall see. Yes, we shall. And see it, you shall. Okay, so that is it for the SwiftUI portion of this stream. I hope it was fun and exciting and you learned something today. And I will be continuing this on Tuesday. Sorry, the stream isn't over. The SwiftUI portion is over. We are next going to play immediately Uncharted 4. As always, I plan on making this available someday as a YouTube tutorial and maybe a GitHub repo. I'll start to add some stuff. Eventually, I got to get my groove on and figure out YouTube because I don't understand YouTube yet. I've just been posting my VODs. You can check them out. Yeah. You can see like previous streams, and we have a little bit of this stuff in here too. But I also am going to make a dedicated channel just for SwiftUI tutorials that focus on game UI. So that'll be neat. I just think they're neat. Okie dokie. Now let us break here real quick. I'm going to just do some quick changes to Twitch to show what we are about to do. So Uncharted 4 first play through. And we're going to change the category to Uncharted 4. And we're going to do this and this and this. Okay, so says stream has been changed successfully. And goodbye, Xcode. Goodbye forever. Until Tuesday. And now, the gaming begins. As always, backseating is allowed. Try to be kind and no spoilers, please. If you've already played this before, I am now going to let's see. I'm going to move chat to this window so I can see you guys and your wonderful comments. Where are you, goalie? I know. It might be too late. I know that goalie would love to see this. So it's with us in spirit, you know. Let us go and check this out, you guys. So again, first playthrough, new game. Here we go. Challenge level. What do you guys think? I am no crushing. Oh, I can't even do crushing mode. We're gonna do moderate. We're gonna do moderate. We want to be. Maybe it's time to rewatch Firefly again. Oh yeah. Okay, so I see a couple of drop frames, but hopefully we're gonna be okay. So lock on aim. So automatically lock onto enemy targets when aiming. Designed for players who are new to action games or have difficulty using left stick and right stick. Okay, so this is interesting. I didn't know in the past games that we could do this. I think we always had it on, right? We're gonna try it with it off and see how it goes. Camera assist, vehicle camera assist. We'll keep these all off. We'll keep these all off. So select and continue. Here we go. You guys excited? I'm so excited. This will be fun. Save, new game data. Saving. Awesome. Drop frames was a while ago. We're good? Okay. Fingers crossed. Ooh, Chief. Oh, you guys, it's Return of the Shinies. I can't wait. I'm a man of fortune, and I must seek my fortune. Sorry, Drake Fortune. Henry Avery, 1694, a bit before Arthur's time. Hey, Arthur.
Crap. This is really not good. Hold on!
Huh? They're being followed in a storm? Oh. Who's that guy? Accelerate. Alright, where are we going? Head towards the island? Is that what he said? Reset camera position. Ooh, we got a good old-fashioned boat chase, boys. Oh, we say flying bodies. There's something. Wait, do I? Nope, I'm just driving. Oh, this is epic already, you guys. I can tell. Hey. Wow! Wow! Boom. Oh. El Tigre looks like a Far Cry antagonist. Oh, you're watching the video? Oh man, you're gonna love it. Yeah, we're just ramming into boats and causing people to fly. Big boat. Big boat, big boat. Ah, don't go in the mines! Oh shoot. Oh, we were supposed to do that. Hold X to ascend. Okay. Now what? Hold it to dive. Oh. Ooh, that was a near miss. Ready to go back up? Do we need subtitles on, you guys? We probably should do subtitles. Oh, yeah, that was it. Subtitles on. There we go. Nathan!
I'm okay! Shut the engines off! What? I can fix it! Just cover me!
Cover me. Here we go. Take cover. Do I have a gun? Oh yeah, I can tell that without aim assist, this is going to be a little bit difficult. Grenade launcher? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh man. We may have to switch to aim assist. Don't kill me, Bart. He's dead. He's dead. Oh, he's not dead. He's just a little tuckered out. Wait, is there any explosive things in the way? Oh, he just shot his own boat. Wah, wah. Reload. Hey. Wait. Are they shooting from behind? They came from behind. Oh no, he's over there. Oh yeah. I just gotta get used to this. It's like a duck hunt. Or what was that? What was that one? It's remember that old Nintendo game? What was that? With the pop-up. Oh jeez, my accuracy is at like 2%.
Working? Yeah, come on. Get us out of here.
Get out now! Get to the boat! Wait, oh, accelerate is R2.
Head straight to the island. Thank you. Come on. Dead ahead.
We'll all be good.
Shit. Get them off of us. Doing the best I can here.
Hogan's Alley. Ah, that's right.
Just hang on.
You're right. That's what it was. Ah, shoot! It steered us away. It was like, oh yeah. Nathan!
Nathan.
There was a time something too? None? Okay, this is the Tom Holland portion.
Nathan.
Right here.
What are we gonna do with you? You must be tired of these lectures. I know I'm tired of giving them. And now you have to stay here with me all weekend instead of going on the retreat with everyone else?
Oh,
I don't care.
he got beat up.
Yes, that is the crux of the problem.
He got in a fight.
I don't see why I'm the only one being punished.
Because you started the fight.
He wouldn't give me back my book.
I told you to leave those books in your room. You only have yourself to blame.
Doesn't give him the right to just snatch it from me.
Does that give you the right to start throwing punches?
Maybe.
It wasn't just about the book.
He was sending a message.
What was it then?
Nothing. I'll save it for confession.
Oh.
No matter what I try.
This is baby Nathan in a
insistent
cutscene from his
I'm going
past.
down
Yep,
the
yep,
same
yep.
sad road as your brother. What a waste.
Whoa. Did she just... What did she say? Something about your brother? Goalie, how you doing? It's good to see you. I was hoping you'd join for today. Sam? Gandalf? Get it. Chapter 1.
I see you.
This is total... Yeah, I can see Tom Holland doing this. Whee.
Up and around we go.
Wait.
Whoa!
Just kidding.
slippery.
Too slippery. Whoa, whoa, whoa! A sword in the stone. It can't be. Oh yeah, so from a very young age, Nathan has been a parkour expert. Wait a minute, you guys. Did I see a shiny? This game is all about finding the shinies. What do we have here? Can't get up there. That's too spiky. Looks like we'll have to climb up that place. Do I need to be early up for work, but couldn't resist the start of the next Uncharted? I know. I'm so excited. It's been like, it's been a month or two. It's been a minute. But we finally finished. Arthur Morgan's story. And oh, what a sweet game. Camera assist available. You know what the game is telling me? It's telling me you suck. Camera controls. Camera says, all right. Designed for players who are new to action games or have difficulty using the left stick and right stick. They're totally trolling me. All right. Just out of spite, we're not going to. Come on, game. Have faith. Should we go in this open window? Let's check it out.
Okay, nice and quiet.
So yeah, you're definitely free to, if you need to take off and get some sleep, by all means. I appreciate that you stopped by. I'm so excited for this game. Oh man. I just tried to do Eagle Eye to see if there was anything in the room. I guess there's nothing in here. Okay. Open the door. Let me
Isn't it our job to help boys like him?
In the meantime, I'm neglecting the other dozen boys under my care.
What do you want me to do?
You know my opinion.
I'm not ready
Kill
to
him.
give up on him yet.
That nun is psycho.
Keep avoiding it.
L and press the... Oh, we can somersault.
Look, I'll talk to him in the morning. Okay?
Good night, Father.
Good night, Father.
Good night, Sister Catherine.
Anything over here? No. Oh, we got a little Sims action going here. Oh, what? We probably shouldn't have been snooping around.
What do you want me to do?
Oh, we gotta
You know my opinion.
increase the death count, you guys. That was considered a death, I suppose.
Can't keep avoiding it.
Look, I'll...
Hold on a second. Let me make sure that this is working.
Okay?
Good night, Father.
Good night, Father.
Catherine.
Are we supposed to stay here? Because last time she saw us. Okay, she's gonna exit her room there. Hold up. Let's make sure that we're good here. Deaths. Alright, that should work. Ten times the stream. Yep. Just once. Just once. It's the whole reason I even watched the Doom movie. Alright, death count should work now. There we go. You were seen by a nun. A nun. Where did she go? Oh, hi there. Let's see. Where should we go? Let's take a look over here. What is this?
Whoa. It's my file.
Behavior report form. Uh-oh. I caught a glimpse of Edward waving one of Nathan's books around, teasing the young boy. Nathan immediately leapt on Edward, knocking the larger boy down. I ran over to separate the boys, but not before they'd both managed to pummel each other. Administrative signature, Father Ryan Duffy. Put that away. Alright. What else is in here? Nothing. Okay, we could go there, or we could go where the nun went. Oh, she's right there. She's right there. Look.
Gotta get to that window.
Gotta get to that window. But Foist, there was another room. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
On.
Uh-oh.
Move it, sister.
Uh-oh. Come on, sister. What is she doing? Oh, she's gonna have a smoke. Oh, you see that from her hiding place? From the plant? That is hilarious. How am I gonna get there? Okay, first of all, there was like another room, right? Over there that we didn't go through. Should we go through there? When I get into adult Nathan fighting, you'll see the resemblance. Yeah, most definitely. Ah, shoot! No! Maybe it was somersault because I wanted to check out this place. Oh, I can't go there anymore. Oh well. Hold. I'm holding. I gotta get to the spot. Oh, she's looking. Oh, shoot. Okay, the next time that she looks at the way of the window, go. Ah, yes. Beautiful. There's a piano. Ah, caught you smoking again.
Can you open the gate for me?
Coming, Father.
Coming, Father. I like this smoking nun, yeah. She is not to be trifled with. Hurry up. Okay. Now we can make a break for it. Go. Hey, man. Oh, nope, not back in there. Nope. Okay, this is where you get to see my lack of parkour skills. Down, go left. Hatchet or I walk. We don't have any weapons yet, bro. I don't know what to do. Jump. Don't worry, we will be getting weapons soon enough, but probably not as a 12-year-old boy. This ain't Valentine no more. But fun-made launchers and bazookas? Yeah. Can't wait for those. Nate, no.
Almost there.
Nice. Oh, did you guys see that? Look at the water coming out of the open drain now. That's cool. Flashlights.
Sam?
Eh? Hey, Jimmy. Nice new backpack.
Ooh, you gotta learn to watch your back.
Alright.
Hey, it's good to see you, little brother. What is that?
I got in a kerfuffle.
Again?
It's nothing.
You told me you'd stay out of trouble, though.
He was talking shit about us.
So?
Who does his older brother
Dad dumped
look
us
like?
because we're worthless, and Mom is in hell because
Nathan, come on. They're just saying it because it gets to you.
Oh,
all right?
man. Did you hear
You
that?
just gotta learn to laugh it off.
you wouldn't.
Well, do as I say, not as I do. Here. You'll catch a cold.
Man,
So
living in an
What are you doing
orphanage
like
must
this
be...
if the nuns catch you, they're gonna call the cops.
Well, I got something for you. And I couldn't wait till
I can't
Christmas.
imagine what kind of an experience that would be.
It's outside.
What happened to us staying out of trouble?
This is an exception.
Who does Sam remind you of, you guys? That guy who played Green Goblin. Harry Osborn
Yeah, give me a
in
hand.
the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man movie. What's his name?
The sister's feeding you enough.
Why can't I think of his name?
It's kind of empty. Where's everyone?
Some Bible retreat.
Yeesh. I remember those.
James Franco. Yes. That's right. That's totally Franco.
How's Father Duffy doing?
He's the one decent guy in there. You should come and say hi.
Nah. I don't
Till
know.
we meet again, Spider-Man. Whoa. Sam can parkour too. Look at this. Man, everybody can parkour in this game. Oh, how do we do this again? It's back X. There we are.
This
Where's
way.
he going? Good grief. Maybe this guy's Spider-Man.
Get in there. That was easy.
Who am I?
Come
You
on.
really want to know? Whee.
You didn't prop it.
I did. At least I thought I did.
Womp womp.
No, it doesn't matter. We're gonna take the high road.
Caught that one with your head.
Just follow me.
I meant to do that.
This.
He's got a grappling hook?
And now, we take the high road.
This guy came prepared.
Have you done this before?
You got any more of those in your backpack?
Once or twice.
Wait. Are there any
Come on.
shinies?
Your turn.
I guess there wouldn't be shinies in this area, right? Hold. Hold. Oh, up here. Yoink.
So, what you been up to?
Best way to stop momentum.
Mostly.
You
Yes.
still dating that girl?
Oh, Crystal?
Crystal.
On again, off
Ooh,
again.
Crystal.
Currently off again.
Wait. Oh, up here. Dun, dun, dun. All right, let's go. When can I have a backpack, Sam? Crystal Met. Ah, that's who he's dating. Yes, I see. On again, off again. It all makes sense now. The hallucinations.
Just don't think about it. You got this.
His what was remind me of old school Disney Sword in the Stone with Wart.
See? No big deal.
Yeah. Nothing to it.
Stay with me.
Ken has backpack. Whoa, what's that? Oh, just a decoration.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, totally.
Save the clock tower. Press circle to crouch. Push towards goal.
There's a jump coming up.
Okay.
Who are these kids? Who are these kids? So Nate, young Nate is us,
Right down.
is me, is you and me. We're all in this together. Sam is his older brother. He's currently escaping an orphanage.
Was that a sin?
His parents, I don't know where his dad is, and they said his mom is in hell. So thanks, nuns, for traumatizing this young boy's life. Oh, yeah, I just don't mind if I do.
Yeah.
Triangle.
Go ahead.
The center kind of gives a Spider-Man feel too, doesn't it? Wait. Up. Over here. Yar. Nathan Drake. He's 11, just parkouring around. I know, like, how did he get to be like this awesome? How did you put your weapon together so quickly? Because you told me to, drill sergeant.
Come on.
Up the
Can't jump
steeple.
that high.
Just
Open
go
the doors and see all the people. What did he say to do? Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh, no! Oh no, Nathan! Ah.
Up the steeple. Come on.
Go around is what he said, okay. Do we do like a running jump? He said, oh yeah, that's right.
I can't jump that high.
Alright, just go around the corner.
Okay. I didn't have to press any buttons. I just did the, oh, I can climb on this? It's gonna break. It's gonna break. It's gonna break. Ah, you're safe.
It's a nice view, huh?
Yeah,
It's a nice view.
not bad.
Not bad. Oh, I was supposed to look at the view.
Before?
This particular roof? No.
But you do know where you're going, right?
We've been here before. We're going in circles. This is straight making me sweat. I know. Can you imagine? I could not do this as a kid. No way. Absolutely no way. In fact, where did my fear of heights first come from? I bet you, like, I have some repressed memory. Dude, did you see him jump? Holy smoke. Where maybe this happened to me when I was a kid. And I could never live it down. Ooh. Yeah, there's a lot of that in this series, Quicks. Edge of your seat action sequences. It's so good.
I did it.
Nathan Drake is like the male Lara Croft. Yes, exactly. Which is why he's jumping around all willy-nilly from limb to limb, drinking milk from a saucer. What?
Follow me.
This game is the epitome of feeling like you're in an action blockbuster. The epitome of blockbusters.
You know what?
You know what?
How about you take this one?
Oh, okay. Oh, this is where we get our grappling hook. So our grappling hook we got from our brother, so which means it's got sentimental value. Press L1 to throw the rope. Boom.
Attaboy, Nathan.
Oh, nimbly pimbly. I didn't remember what the quote is from, but I remember that. The epitome of hyperbole. That is the special. Oh, shoot. Oh no, that's too bad. Well. He's already pulled over. He can't pull over any further.
Attaboy, Nathan.
Stop awakening fears in me. I'm sorry. While reaching, it is safe to jump. Yeah, I don't believe you. You see what just happened to me? Yoink. Ah, we did it. Let's watch him do it.
Okay.
So graceful. He's beauty and he's grace. He's Miss United States. Wait, where are we going?
After you.
Wait, what? Are we grappling again? What? Jumping? Where's my grapple? Where's my grapple? Do I have to retrieve it? Oh. Guys. Help. Help. All right, listen up, meow. What? What do I do? Where's my grapple.com? You guys totally lost your hooks on that pole. Where? Are we stuck? Sam, help me, Sam. Oh. Oh, never mind. Oh, that was easy. Oh, wait. Do I get this ladder? That's what I do. He's like, what are you doing, Nate? You're doing it the hard way.
No, head down.
Head down. Ladder. Ladder! It's the ladder! I totally didn't see that. This is where my spatial awareness is lacking. Whee! Yes. You need to listen to NPC instructions better? Yes, I do.
Just like that.
It's true.
We're
I do.
All right.
Check it out.
That was on my progress report
Wow,
too.
You got the 250?
Cannot follow
250?
instructions.
Talking about? No, this is the 500cc twin.
No way.
Yeah.
Where'd you lift it from?
Whoa. That's a low blow. But hey, I'll have you know that I am a changed man. Bought this with hard-earned cash.
Oh, you bought it?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Hello.
I'm trying to make up for something.
Thanks, bro.
Too smart for your own good, you know?
Did you hear that? Please tell me you heard it.
I got this job. Pays well. Really well. But, I gotta leave town for a little bit.
What's a little bit?
Like, a year. At the most, and then I'll be back before you even know it, right?
Totally
You're
startled
railing
me.
on me.
Come on, don't be so dramatic.
What, so it wasn't bad enough to leave me in that place?
Come on, Sam.
Why would you do this to me, Sam?
Don't leave me.
It's for you.
You're like the only
We'll
family
make
I
it for
got.
Both of us. And then in a couple of years, when you're out,
Years? Take me with you.
I can barely support myself.
Come on,
I'll
Sam.
bet
We
you-
could do it.
I know you think the orphanage sucks.
You have no idea.
Yeah, but it's the best thing for you right now. Alright?
No way, dude. We just escaped the
Just
orphanage.
gotta trust me on that one.
It's not fair.
Woo! Rigged.
Nothing about our lives is
Rats.
perfect. But we've made it work. Right?
Sure.
Well, you know, the bike wasn't the only surprise. And I guess I'm gonna have to ruin the next one.
What?
I found Mom's stuff. Everything that Dad sold, I tracked down the buyer.
Oh, wow. This is big.
You're saying this just to make me feel better.
I swear to God.
Where?
On the other side of town. What do you say we go and get it back?
Yeah,
You
dude.
mean steal it?
It's not stealing if it was ours to begin with.
I'm pretty sure the cops aren't going to see it that way.
Well, then let's not
Tell
get
that to OJ. Wham, wham. My memorabilia.
You ready for this?
Oh, nice. Here we go, Quicks. This is for you.
Esto va a estar más fácil de lo que esperaba, ¿eh?
We're in prison. We're in prison now. Well, biscuits.
You're gonna have to do it better than that, pal.
Oh my.
Let's go.
Oh, melee fighting. Oh, I'm the worst at this. Press square. Punch, punch, punch.
Chingada, este gringo sabe pelear, ¿eh?
I don't know what that means, but escape the struggle. Come on.
Conmigo.
Let me punch you. Do it.
¿Cómo te
Oh,
sales de esta, cara?
let go of me. Oh, I'm in a grappling. I'm in a grapple. Owie. Oh, no, he's got me.
Pero yo voy a acabarlo. Vuelve ahí.
Oh, snap.
¿Qué tal esto?
How did we get here?
Agárrenmelo.
Ah, freak.
Back at you.
Oh, he just kicked him in the face.
Lucha como un hombre.
Holy crap, we're getting our butts kicked.
You asked for it.
I guess butt. since there's only one of us fighting like an army. Jeez. Oh man. Owie, 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 owie. That was awesome. I don't know. All I know is I must beat him up. Okay, he does that every time when he gets held. Oh, square, 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 square. Square, square, square. Triangle! Triangle! Do I just hold it or do I tap it multiple times? I can't even tell. Oh, there we go. My turn. I don't think that man likes you. Yes, that is true. Wait, what?
Hey, we weren't fighting? Huh? Right, little guy? Hey, give me a call when you're tall enough to ride the rides.
Oh, snap.
¡Cállalo! Te voy a estar esperando aquí,
Yeah. He's a fighter. And a lover.
Abre.
Come on. How long am I supposed to be in here?
Oh, not the box.
Where's the toilet?
You looking at it? Have fun.
Oh, man. Solitary confinement. Dang it. So now do you see why Nathan Fillion is the choice? Now do you see? Yeah, the graphics are quite an upgrade from the third one.
I was having a great dream, too. Hey. All right, easy.
Sam? This game has the best lines. You want him to be the voice too? Yeah, that'd be cool. Come on, Vargas. Chapter 2. Infernal place.
I can take a shower. Morning, boys. Or is it the evening? It's hard to tell down here.
Oye, idiota. Get up the stairs.
Idiota. I understand that.
Viene saliendo un prisionero.
Prisoner.
Abra la reja.
Saliendo, what is that?
Hey, nice to see you.
Bright. Bright light.
Right. Humid.
Hey, I said it first.
Welcome to Panama.
Hey, gringo. Vi lo que hiciste a Gustavo. Tengo un cuchillo que tiene tu nombre, amigo. Te lo mostraré
Vargas.
cuando
What?
regreses.
Déjanoslo a nosotros. Nos encargamos de él. Muévanse. Quítense, cabrones.
I mean, I know they're taunting me, but I don't understand, so it's like, well, I guess nobody likes me here. I'm not making any friends. Oh, I gotta go in here. All right.
Abre la reja.
¿A dónde lo llevas?
I don't think they like you either. We're wanted men.
Diviértete.
I have the
You speak
death
a little
sentence in
Spanish.
12 systems.
Wait, what did you say?
You'll find out soon enough.
I speak Spanish. I mean, I don't. Oh. Oh no. That's not good. Yikes.
Nada, amigo. Nothing else.
De este me encargo yo.
Bien.
Yikes.
Where are you taking me anyway?
You'll
Look at those giant rats. Are these the sisters from Shawshank? Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. You have to go, Fast Fox. Thanks for staying. Appreciate you. We'll see you next time. Doritos.
No, not that way.
Wait, where are we going?
All right.
Take care. Thanks for coming by. Those rats.
Yeah, this isn't sketchy at all.
Uh-oh. What's gonna happen to us?
Hey, you know, this doesn't look like the warden's office.
Go left.
Go left?
Yeah, I'm on it.
Through there.
Through here?
Here we are.
All right. Hey, take these cuffs off or what?
I want in.
I want in.
In?
Whatever you hope to find up there.
Oh. He was helping us escape?
It was just to get us in and out of here, that's it.
Just? I'm sticking my neck out for you gringos.
Yeah, and Rafe is paying you a lot of money for your trouble.
Rafe.
See?
I remember that name.
But not nearly enough.
You were told not to open that.
Yes. I was also told not to take bribes, not to bring anyone here, and not to beat on my inmates. But here we are.
Just be careful with that. It's 300 years old.
What, this old thing?
I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. You know who that is?
He was a pirate.
The pirate who pulled off the biggest heist in history.
Pirates, eh?
I looked him up.
It's great.
Over
Can we-
$400 million worth of gold and jewels, all from one single ship.
That's a lot of money.
The Gunsway.
I'm familiar with the story. Can you get to
Those
the
guys
point?
held GME.
I occupied the highest cell in the Spaniards' prison. Here. I hope someday you will find your way into this infernal place, bear my cross, and discover the riches of paradise.
Paradise.
What do you want?
The riches of paradise.
He wants in, Drake.
Metaphor.
No. You and your friends did not pay to get into this infernal place in search of a metaphor. I want in.
All right, Vargas.
Let me go up there, check out the prison cell. If there's still anything there after 300 years, you can take this up with Rafe. Come on.
Uncuff me. He said the chapter title. We all some kind of suicide squad.
Por favor.
How you gonna get up there anyways?
Climb. Oh, unless, of course, you want
All
to
good,
do it
Quicks.
since you want in and all.
Just don't break your neck.
Come on, Vargas. You're gonna go parkouring with me?
Hey, did you bring what I asked?
Yeah, eat it just over there, under the work table, by the crates.
Great, thanks.
Ooh, what did we ask for? I have a feeling it is a grappling hook and a gun. Okay, let's go see. What do we got? What do we got? Come on. Where's our stuff? You said it was by the crates?
All right, let's do that again.
Oh, boy. Wait, did we forget something? That's a hanging vine. Can't get up there. That is certain death. Okay, we obviously missed something. Where do we go? Where do we go? Gonna go up from where we came. There is a slide. Steer while sliding. Ah, Zero, I'm not fast enough. Look at the foliage, guys. Dang. That's no 2D graphics right there. Maybe it is. And I'm just... Nah, that's fully rendered, isn't it? Ah, here we go. Is this it? By the crate? That's not the right crate. Here's a crate. Aha, here we go. Triangle.
Bingo.
Boom.
Now we're in business.
And what else? What else we got? No guns. I guess we don't need a gun. Really? Maybe we do. Huh, what are you?
This should do the trick.
Oh, we're steering it somewhere. What are we supposed to do with this? Are we supposed to dump it down there? Maybe not. I don't even know what we're supposed to do with this crate. Oh, maybe push it over there. That's what we'll do. Triangle man, triangle man. Are you letting Vargas in on your plan? Yeah, I told him that he can talk to Rafe. He already, like, knew about the stuff because of, he read the letter. L3.
There's the prison cell.
So if there's something up there, then he said, take it up with Rafe if I find anything. Aha! Wait. Bum, ba, da, bum, ba, 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 yeah! Ah, it's amazing that the grappling hook didn't just impale the back of my skull just now. Ooh. Ah. There's another one. Go sideways. Yas. We got some more grappling to do. But first, a little parkour. Oh, 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 oh. Let's go around this way. There we go. So yeah, a lot of times in these games, like, it's hard for me to find the path. I just kind of just like look around, like, where do I go?
Looks like I can slide down there. Look
Hook
on that
on
post.
that post. So slide and hook. Probably. L1, L1, L1. Yes. Oh.
Wait till Sam hears about this.
Yeah, this guy's voiceover is amazing. You will not be disappointed. I promise.
Onward and upward.
What about up here? Anything up here? You guys see any shinies? If you see any shinies, shout out, because I'm all about the shinies. That's these collectibles in these games, just a bunch of like treasures that are just kind of littering. They tried to hide the path a little bit more. So do you also have a fear of heights, Quicks? Because I am definitely afraid of this. I would never in a million years be able to do this. No way. No way. There's no way. Up. Up, 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 up. This way.
These Burns had a nice view before he was executed.
Executed. This way? Ah! Go, go, go. Here's an entrance.
Hard to believe there were dozens of pirates holed up in here, just waiting to be hanged. Okay, where to?
Ah, you guys see that? I see that. I see a shiny. I see a shiny. Bum, bum, ba, bum. My first shiny. Boom. Press options to inspect it. Navajo folding knife. How many do we have, you guys? Sweet. I love these things.
Gotta find a way up.
Collect treasures, journal pages, and optional conversations to unlock bonuses in the main menu. You ever get sweaty like driving on a mountain road? Oh, like on the side with just a little divider? Yes, yes, absolutely. Oh my gosh. Yes. White knuckled, like, this is where I die. Yes, absolutely. Oh, that looks like it's pretty old.
I thought the modern prison was bad.
1696. Let's take a read. September 18th, 1696. I hanged the first of Captain Avery's crew this afternoon. Oh, I was using a pirate voice, but he's not a pirate. He's a policeman. In full view of their cohorts. A gratuitous act, perhaps, but one that stokes the fear in their hearts for what follows. A visit to the remaining men in the tower. The sorry pirates threw themselves at my feet, begging for mercy. One day I hope to hear such pleas from their elusive captain. September 20th, 1696. As I hanged the rest of the pirates this morning, one soul was bold enough to offer a bribe as the hood was placed round his head. More vague promises of vast treasure. I asked him where this hoard could be found and then dropped him as he answered, I have no patience for pirate falsehoods. Wow. Dang, dude. That's hardcore. Executioner. You missed one? It was in second slot? I missed one? No! Where? In second slot. What do you mean? Is it back up here?
Can barely believe this place is still standing. Spanish sure knew how to build a sturdy prison.
Spanish Armada.
Wonder how many pirates died here.
57. Down there. He was in second slot. Uh-oh. Well, I probably won't be 100%. Yeah, where is the shiny? What's the delay time here? Oh, it's like 6 or 7 seconds, isn't it? We don't know where the first one is. Oh, it was in the second slot. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. We've already missed one because. Yeah, no, I get it now. Come on. Grapple. Grapple. Grapple with all your might. Okay, I guess not. Just gotta go this way. Do it. What the? Oh. Well, we can go up there. Nope, we cannot. This is where this is where you guys get to see me. Okay, so MK Murray has been through this 3 times now, and goalie as well. But I just kind of like wander around like a doofus, like looking for the exit, and they're like, "Come on, you can do it." I see that thing there, and yet there's no like. That's the delay. My delay are worse on mobile. Yeah. Sorry about that. Should I go down here? Ugh. No, I think we were just here. Oh, yeah, we just saw you. No, don't read it. Don't read it. I already read it. Bum, 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 bum. Punch it. Punch it. Okay, I feel like I have to go up there to that wall. It's an inanimate carbon rod. Okay, let's climb up here. And can we jump there? Yes, we can. Yeah, you're right, Murray. It's,
This is pretty awesome.
They do make it difficult to find. Okay, let's go to the right. Maybe that's where we need to go. Ooh. Ah, more grappling. No way I could do that. No way. Look at that.
Oh man, Sam.
That fall is certain death. The mobile delay is real. Yeah, sorry about that. Get inside.
Burns his cell.
Burns his cell.
Cell.
Whoa.
That's sweet. Okay.
Those hatch marks on the wall.
To begin.
There are rock climbing exercises where you just go up bars like that. It's so hard. Oh man.
All these squiggles.
Nay-nays this guy. Dang, look at all this. You can't possibly be talking about this book. My dearest son Richard, Spanish devils have me in chains in the Viceroyalty of Panama. Excuse me. I stand accused of being party to piracy. The trial is a mere formality. I shall imminently perish by hanging. I confess to you now, I was a member of Captain Henry Avery's crew. With my fellow crew members, I took part in the plunder of the Hindu Gunsway. We committed many atrocities in the eyes of God, and now I must pay for my sins. I now occupy the highest cell in the Spaniards' prison, looking out at the ocean, longing for another peaceful moment with you and your mother. Though my regrets are many, know that I am at peace with my fate. I hope someday you will find your way to this infernal place, bear my cross, and discover the riches of paradise. Your loving father, Joseph Burns. Wow. Yes, you're welcome. I use the Twitch application and Quicks uses the browser. She's like 3 seconds in the future and knows all the answers by the time I hear it. That's trippy.
Sun and moon.
So she gives you the spoilers like right before it happens.
Wait a sec.
That's pretty funny.
I saw something like this on the letter.
I believe you have a letter for me.
Well, that's part of the symbol.
Pan. Pan, pan, pan. Flip.
Ah.
There's the other half.
Now then.
Now then. That looks like a bowling ball in the corner. Look at that hand texture, you guys. That is amazing. Look at that. Look at the veins in his hands. Fold.
That's more like it.
Ah.
Okay, the zodiac symbol.
A zodiac symbol.
Sagittarius. And the Scorpio sign.
What could it mean? Flip, 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 flip. I guess I'm supposed to put it away. All right. Fold that sucker. Hosea. Yeah. He's gonna be with me forever. Ooh, wait, triangle. 5.
That's not it.
2.
Roman numeral 2.
Right there, dude.
Ah, nope.
That's Roman numeral 2.
Did I miss something on the letter?
Probably. I'm not paying attention to you guys. I'm just trying to.
Sagittarius. Roman numeral 10.
Okay. Which means we click on the 10. Where's the 10? Oh dear. There's so many. Okay, there's so many choices. There's a 10. There's a 10 down there.
Roman numeral 10.
Let's do that.
Nothing.
Nothing. Flipadelphia.
Again.
Flippity-doo. What does that say? X, M, Roman numeral 10. Pretty sure we did do a 10, didn't we? Y'all ready for this?
Scorpio sign.
The Scorpio
And
side.
Roman numeral 2.
Okay, I get it now. We want that X thing and the other thing. This is where you guys are like, why haven't you figured it out? How dare you? Okay, so M is 2, and that is X. So X plus 2 is 12. So do we have a Roman 12 anywhere? Aha, right there. Do it.
10 and 2. X and II.
Choose 3, my lord. Oh,
Look at that.
well now. Flip.
Digna factis recipimus.
Anybody speak Latin? Not me. Put that away. Are you slowly dying inside? Because he's been through this game. He's
This is it.
like, do the 12!
Time to head back.
All right, here we go. So yeah, so MK Murray is very patient. He has watched me bumble through these throughout the whole series. I can't imagine.
Gotta watch that first step.
I don't know how you stick around. Maybe it's just my personality. L1, here we go. Beep. Rappel down. No! What? What? Well. So, yeah. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Use L to rappel down. Oh, hold L1.
Down we go.
Jeez. I don't know how to follow instructions.
Now what?
Oh, shoot. No. What? What? How? My husband is so stupid.
Down we go.
Is it good for me? Okay, as soon as that happens, I'm going to... Okay, anything over here? I'm going to have to make a jump. Right? Oh, can I swing? Can I swing from here?
Huh. Now what?
Swing. Ah, swing. Swing. Snake. I keep on hitting myself. No. What? Mendo dude, if I didn't say thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. I must have not seen it. I appreciate you you joining here, watching me fail. Fail. You would have a terrible Lara Croft Indiana Jones. Yes, I would have failed the audition process. Keep hitting myself. Nope. Oh, okay, that worked. Good heavens. Oi. Okay, nice and slow. Ah, no. Look at him like touch his face. This is so amazing. These animations are so gold. Any shinies over here? I haven't seen any shinies. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, let's see Rafe do that.
Yeah, dude. Whew. I just want to be Q and make cool stuff, make Bond be in trouble. It's okay, Quicks. No worries. I won't fault you. All good.
There goes my shoulder.
My shoulder. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Where are we at now?
There's
L3.
Vargas. I want a cut. I want in. I'll give you in.
He's imitating Vargas. Okay, so which way, folks? I guess we got to go back to Vargas. So, should we go that way, or should we go that way? With can I even throw it that far? Probably not. We'll have to go this way. Boom. First time Nathan didn't bring the whole house down. Yeah, seriously. He usually destroys everything he comes across. In the name of the treasure. Do not seek the treasure. Do not seek the treasure. Which way? Oh my gosh. For 10 bits. Thank you, bro. Oh my gosh. That. L1. Do it. Oh, sweet. So loud, I know. Did that hurt your guys' ears? I'm so sorry. Do I need to turn down the sounds you spit on your monitor? Okay, let's tone it down just a bit. We'll do let's do 4 dB down. Maybe that'll help. It went well with the "Oh brother, where art thou" quote. That was great timing, bro. You've got great comedic timing. All right, let's see. How do we get out of here? Is this it? It's so loud. I love it. Thanks for the applause. Take this feature away from him. Oh, man. That's beautiful. Can I pay to mute someone? I should probably require like a minute minimum between those things. Oh, bro. It needs like half volume. Okay. Oh, gosh. That's funny. Okay. I tuned it down like 10 dB. What? What? That was too much? Nate. How is that possible? Nate, come on. This is your version of pay X to give Sophie a treat. Is that minimum like too low? How is 10 bits too low? Oh well. We'll fix it in post. Why can I? Okay, there's a sliding thing over there. There's a volume slider on our end. Also, I cranked it. 10 bits is too low. All right. Well, no, it's not. It's bits. What is the conversion of bits to Shroot bucks?
Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. You said that. Kablammy. Sophie treats are chat points. Ah, okay. Okay, so last time when I tried to just go down there, it laughed at me. Oh, I gotta go down here? I died because I went the wrong way? Fail.
You made it. What'd you find? Greg?
Tell me.
What?
What?
The place was picked clean. If there's a clue hidden up there somewhere, I couldn't find it.
Are you sure? Were you looking in the right place?
Maybe I missed something in the letter. There could have been another tower that collapsed centuries ago.
You're lying, Drake.
There any plans to this place? You know, like blueprints?
Show me the blueprint.
Could be. There's a bunch of old files.
Okay, great. Go look through those, okay? See what you can dig up. Meanwhile, I'll talk to Sam. He's our Avery expert. Maybe he can make sense of this whole mess.
Right. I'll
Okay, so
turn around.
Sam. So we're back with Sam. So that's cool. He's back with his brother. So in the first 3 games, we had no idea who Sam was. Like, this is my first... I didn't realize that he's had a brother this whole time. So...
You got it.
Gringo, if I catch you fighting one more time, 1 week in the hole for you.
Sheesh, Vargas.
Nice acting, Vargas.
Oh, man. Ooh, they're betting for cigarettes. Oh, that's Sam. Ah, that's his brother.
Lo siento, chicos. Tengo que irme. Claro, te vas cuando estás ganando. Para ti,
What you got for me, bro?
You all right?
Just another day at the office. Come on.
Hey, whoa. You're gonna keep me in suspense, are you?
You were right.
Yeah, that's totally James Franco.
We were right. We just gotta find Rafe.
Rafe.
Yeah, I had no idea he had a brother.
Oh, come on. Like you said, we.
I
did
had a
this.
brother.
You and me.
Because, okay, so you haven't met Sully yet.
On the tail end?
Sully was pretty much like his adopted father, basically.
No, we didn't. Okay, not one. So like it or not, no.
And he is with him in his adventures.
No getting in here.
So was Sully in the Nathan Fillion movie? I forget.
What kind of problem? Did he let you into the old prison?
Yeah.
Rafe.
After he read the letter.
So how much does he know?
His facial
It
expression.
was a cut.
Awesome. Look at it.
Rafe,
It's
if
so
anybody
good.
else finds out about this.
I'll work it out with Vargas. Don't sweat it. Right now, let's get on to more important matters.
All right. Let's find somewhere a little more private.
Who does Rafe remind you of?
All right, coast is clear.
Okay, so what do we got?
Oh shit.
Huh? Hey,
May I?
It's my cross.
just be careful, okay?
I almost died. Actually, I did die like 3 or 4 times trying to retrieve that.
Wood with
A
gold
young Nick
silver
Cage.
It's well made.
Yeah, the dude with the cigar is Sully.
It's
Yes.
hollow. Why would one of Avery's men go through the trouble of hiding a cheap crucifix?
Yeah, I guess Nick Cage.
It's not a
I
crucifix.
see that.
Technically, a crucifix is a representation of Jesus. It's not Jesus.
Well, you're right. There's no crown of thorns. He's tied to the cross. Well, if it's not Jesus, then
Read the inscription.
Digna factus recipimus. We receive.
We receive the due rewards of our deeds.
Huh.
Look at you.
Just the pinnacle of everything great about this game series. Oh, this game is so good.
Penitent thief. What's the connection?
The penitent man.
Guys,
The
let's just
penitent
pretend
man.
I skipped all
Ooh,
this
Indiana
in
Jones.
school.
Okay, during the crucifixion, Jesus is placed between two thieves, okay? One of them mocked Jesus. The other one, this guy, was penitent. He accepted his punishment with grace.
And Jesus brought him to paradise.
Penitent thief.
Yeah.
What? You figured it out?
There is a cathedral of St. Dismas in Scotland.
The
Scotland.
last sighting of Avery was in Scotland.
That can't be a coincidence.
You know, I had my doubts about you too.
Brigadoon.
Let's find Vargas. Get the hell out of this shithole.
Oh, what just happened?
Let me guess, this is the guy you picked to fight?
We about to be in a brawl.
Didn't know he had so many friends.
Te dije que no hayamos terminado.
Mira, ya nos ganaste, ¿okay?
Muy tarde para hablar. Aquí no sales.
Hey, you know what?
Tú no te metas.
Okay.
Get off me. Get off me. Punch, 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 punch. Kick, kick. Get out of here. Oh. Oh, man. Face, meet wall. Okay, this is just a madhouse. I'm just pressing square like there's no tomorrow. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. Wait a minute. Wait. Wait, is that my friend? Oh, he... Hold on, hold on. He looked like my friend. My brother. You were my brother. I loved you. Oh, got more. Got more. Oh, man. More. Dun it, dun it, dun it. This is like Burly Brawl with Agent Smiths. Ah! Get out of here! It's not sure. Okay, I guess that is my health bar. Is like the amount of red in the. This is my personal space. Get out of my personal space! Oh! It sounds like, or it seems that my insides want to be on my outside. But I'm no doctor. No, no, get away from me! Oh, snap.
Hey, get off!
Get off me.
Ay, espera.
Ya basta de hablar.
Oh, no. Oh, snap. Vargas. Vargas pulls through.
Alguien más necesita que le recuerde las reglas. Alíñense.
Dang, Vargas. Just in time.
¿Qué es esto?
Dame.
It's a family heirloom. You lied to me,
Bring me
Drake.
Contraband.
Vargas.
Cállate. Who do you think you are? Llévalo a su celda. Trae los gringos a mi oficina.
Is that guy dead on the ground? He had his eyes open. So, you thought you could get away with
Déjennos.
not telling me about this artifact? How dare you, Nate? How dare you, sir?
Took you long enough. We almost got killed, you know?
You still might.
Wait, what?
Vargas, seriously?
Oh, I didn't find anything. It must be in a different tower.
Womp womp. Are they making an Uncharted movie? Yes. Yes, they are.
I always carry one.
They are making an Uncharted movie.
Hey, look. It's worthless, all right?
You think I'm an idiot?
Okay, you want to renegotiate? Fine. Stop acting like a third world thug. Put the gun away.
Please. Please. Who's going to be Drake?
Thank you. We're willing to give you
Tom Holland is going to be Drake.
10%.
Think half.
Half? There's 4 of us, dude.
Doing most of the work, 20. And you'd never find it without us.
25. Equals.
All right, that makes sense. 25.
25.
Here's the thing.
Sound fair, guys?
I love Tom Holland. He's great.
Suppose I can live with
I
that.
don't think he's Drake.
Sure.
But what I just saw in chapter 1 of this game, like, he could pass for that.
Looks like we have a deal.
So this is it have to be Drake in his younger days.
And if you ever cross me again.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh wow! He's dead. He's dead.
That's that.
Are you out of your goddamn mind?
You want to find out?
Guys, what are we doing here?
Okay. Well,
Was this part of the plan?
bye bye Vargas. Holy smoke!
Follow me.
Come on. Come on.
Young Nick Cage is crazy.
God damn it.
Oh
Where are we
dear.
going here?
The lighthouse. Vargas said the boat is right under the lighthouse.
Oh snap!
I don't know. Get outside.
Get out, Drake.
Get in.
The window.
Hurry up.
Look, there's a triangle over here, guys. Come on, do it.
Don't see the lighthouse.
Just like old times, eh, bro?
Away from the bar.
Oh.
Down this way. Through here.
Parkour.
Watch yourself. Oh, crap. Over there.
Ah, no, pick me up.
This way.
Don't get killed, Nate. Nate, no.
Come on.
Yikes. We're going. Ryan Reynolds would have been a good choice. Oh, I agree. Yeah, he could be a good Wraith.
Guys, we can climb this.
So what do you think, Quicks? Are you hooked so far? What do you think of this story?
Another dead end.
The fire escape. Nathan, get me out there.
Give me a boost.
Come on, Sam. Ready? And...
Let's go.
Oh, Wraith, he cuts in front of me. What a jerk. I guess it's every man for himself.
Are you sure?
Yes. Come on.
Get up. Come on, do it. Get out of here now. No, Nate. No. Oh, no. Oh, man. More melee. More melee. Come on. Give me a gun. Ah, this is the part of the job I hate. Okay, cool. At least my brother helped me. Rafe is up there, like, just being like, hey, you got it, you guys. No. Yeah, there's a lot of, like, reversal heads into the wall attacks. Yep, you got another one. Oh, tag team back again. Whoop, there it is.
I do. What point?
Do you trust me? Push. Push. I don't understand the Da Vinci Code play yet, but I like it. It's pretty fun.
Without us, isn't he?
Not if we're quick. Come on. After you.
It's too bad. Okay, so you know what I'm sad about? I'm sad that Twitch like deletes videos after like a month when you're not affiliate or whatever. It was like,
Looks clear.
I think it's like
Damn it, this place is like a maze.
maybe 3 months. But like we did all the Drake games from 1 to 3 on stream months ago. They're all gone. I did not have the foresight to
There's the lighthouse.
to export to YouTube.
To the plan.
I was smooth brained, so it would have been cool to have that
Just keep searching over there.
to share with my grandchildren.
There it is.
Wait, what?
Don't drop your cross.
You haven't exported anything to YouTube? Yeah, so like the only stuff that I've really exported are gameplay. I've exported most of my Red Dead plays actually. Most of them. Almost all of them. Yeah, maybe all of them. Sam! Don't kill Sam. Don't kill Sam. He can't die yet.
you. Hold on. Hold on.
Oh no.
Give me your other arm. Come on, reach. No! Stop!
We gotta move.
Oh crap, man.
No, he's gone. Come on, the boat's just beyond the wall.
No, I can't. Can't leave him behind.
Nate!
That was his
Brother
last
is dead.
family.
Either come with me or join him. Just have it your way.
Oh man.
Sam. Oh God, no. No. Sam.
Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh shoot, guys. Ah, when games do this, I understand why, but like, it's so frustrating. That was action-packed, you guys. Oh wow, what a way to start the game. And now the title screen. Oh, this is so good. Amazing. Oh, these are great openers. Look at that, is cool. Elena. She's an important character in this series. There's Sully. Oh, these are flashbacks from the previous games. Elena had a heart. Yeah, Elena is his love. Elena is Bae. So Elena started out as a reporter, I believe. She was a reporter or someone, a journalist. She was a journalist, and that's how they met in the first game. And she wasn't real great with a gun, but she helped him escape. She drove a lot of stuff, a lot of cars and trucks. And Nolan North, Troy Baker, Richard McGonigal, and Emily Rose. This is a solid voice cast. Yeah, so he and her are a thing. Nice. That's great. Great opener. "15 years later?" 15? Wow.
Alright. Made it to the bottom.
Okay.
Come here, fishy.
Signal you at the coordinates.
Jameson.
No.
You old now, yeah.
You got any pings from up there?
Afraid not.
Alright. I'll just keep heading down the street.
15? He must be like, what?
You got it.
Early 40s? 50?
I might watch you down to a quarter tank. You want to come up?
Malaysia job.
Be fine. Can't be far.
Hold X to ascend.
Find it soon. I'm calling it.
I'll find it.
All right.
We swimming in this. Oh, beautiful. Look at this, you guys. How do I descend? Ah, circle to descend. It didn't even tell me. I figured it out by myself. We touching on all my fears. The ocean. Cool. Shiny. Boom. Inspect. Oh shoot, we've already missed 2 out of the 4. So yeah, action packed. So yeah, this game goes at a very fast pace. Every chapter is you start out slow for like the first 5-10 minutes, and then like the whole thing is like a lot of shooting, a lot of guns, lots of guns. Melee fighting, there's a lot of that. I'm not really a fan of the melee fighting. What am I looking for? I don't even know. Wait, is there a circle? I have never been scuba diving. Has anybody in the chat been scuba diving before? I think I'd like to try it someday, but I don't know. We don't kill animals either. Yeah, no animal murder. Yeah. So that's a nice change of pace from what we had to subject ourselves to. Oh, there's something. There's something over there. What is this?
Hey, I got something here. What is it? No rust, bright color. Maybe
Snorkeling is all. Scuba diving sounds like too much. The bends and all. I don't know how to risk exploding my lungs.
It looks like a piece of our wreck. Must be
Yeah, I don't want any lung exploding either. Who is Jameson? I don't remember who Jameson is. Do you? MK Murray? Do we know him from previous games? Or is he a new character? Uh-oh, we're getting sucked down somewhere. We got a current. I guess it's moving us along. L3.
There you are.
There you are.
I found it.
All right. How's it look?
It's beat up, but intact.
Those are Chinese characters. What do we got here? What do we got? Can we go through? There's gotta be an entrance. It's over here.
Right, here we go.
Tap on the triangle to open. Gotta keep going till it tells me to stop. Jameson is new? Okay. That's the other funny thing about this game is that they introduce characters like you should already know who they are. It happens in every game. You're like, oh yeah, Jameson. Who's Jameson? Who is this guy?
Okay, by my count, we're shy 2 crates. I'm gonna go round them up.
Hold on. How about you come up first, get a fresh tank?
The crate's gotta be nearby. Ha! Found one.
Ha! Just let me press triangle a few dozen times.
Crap. The crate's pinned beneath the trailer.
Tell you what, secure the other crate first, then we'll lift the trailer up for you.
Hey.
You see, that's why you get paid the big bucks.
Yeah.
Meaning he probably doesn't get paid very much. Would it be around here somewhere? Where is the other crate?
Crate wouldn't have drifted this far.
Oh, it's telling me don't be stupid. Do. What about up here? Down. Here, crate. Where are you? Ooh, a wheel. Ah, there's something. Found it.
Found the other crate.
One down, one to go.
Tap X repeatedly to lift crate.
Nearly at your position.
All right, see you soon.
Got a candy bar, gonna throw it to you, okay? Yeah!
Alright, that's one crate secure.
Good timing. We're right above you, sling's on its way down.
Sweet. The water, you guys. Look at those. Look at those water effects with all the particles. Man, this game is gorgeous. Okay, what am I doing? Am I supposed to get out of here?
Coming down.
Hey, wow, that's cool.
Okay, it's in position. Look up the trailer, we'll raise it up a bit for you.
How do I do that? Take this hook.
Okay, got the cable. Gonna try looping it around one of the axes.
That should work.
Yeah.
Loop it around. Like so? Does that work?
Alright, that's one.
Alright, you watch your oxygen now.
That's fine.
We'll be okay. Should I do it? Oh, yeah, it's telling me where to go. So, do you guys ever have a problem with navigating underwater in 3D? Sometimes it's a chore.
And that's two.
Guess it depends on the game.
Okay, trailer's
This
secure,
is
let's go.
okay.
Alright, get clear, we'll lift
Get out of here.
Ready when you are.
And up we go.
We still have one more crate to get, right? Okay, we'll get that crate. Don't drop it on me, please. Oh, okay. Quicks, are you ready for this? We've got like 20 tons right above us.
You got the other crate. I'm gonna strap it in with the others.
First person is easier, I think. Yeah, I think you're right. This feels like Treasure Diver Simulator. Yeah, it does. Oh wait, what's that game? Subnautica? Have you guys played that game before?
There you go.
Is that kind of like this a little bit? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get out of there, Nate.
All cargo present and accounted for. And with 5 minutes of oxygen to spare.
Sweet.
Hey, maybe you should hang out then. See if you can find some other treasures down there.
Nah, I'm good.
Wanna ride up?
I'd love one.
Let me know when you're on the sling.
He said no more treasures, but I thought I saw something shiny over there, but maybe I didn't. Oh, well. Don't want to risk it. Wait, where do we go? Do we go up here? Oh, here we go.
Okay, I'm in position.
I'm ready.
You got it.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready, ready. Guys, the kelp. Oh, look at that water effect. Oh, beautiful.
That beauty. How you feeling?
Oh, better now that I'm out of that river. I'm gonna stink like fish for a week.
All right. We're gonna come to you. Hang on.
I have an embarrassing amount of hours in both the first and the second. Shark. I haven't played them. I'm guessing it's worth checking out if you've got hundreds of hours in there. Oh, you just said an embarrassing amount. I don't know what that is. That in the hundreds? Is that in the hundreds of hours, Quicks? Okay. Controller sensation's pretty good. Who's that? Who's that? Am I supposed to get out of here? Oh, triangle. Triangle man. Tell me that's not Nathan Fillion, right?
Good to have you back, Drake.
Yeah, it's good to be back.
Toss down your gear.
Okay.
Here you go.
Almost for the second one because it's still in beta and you keep restarting it. Oh, I see. I didn't know they had two. Yeah.
Tank's kind of light.
I'm just making your job easier, right?
You could have died, Drake.
Drake, gotta say that wasn't the slowest dive I've ever sat through.
Yeah, you know me.
Hold on, is that a compliment? Because I'm stunned.
Nah, you know what's stunning? Your smell.
Oh, snap. Wait, is this the optional conversation that you get to do?
Reminds me of your mom.
Oh.
That's cold, man. I'm gonna tell her you said that too.
Rated T for teen. I'm guessing that Wetsuit Drake is going to be a costume choice in multiplayer. Guys, look at the reflections.
How we doing down there? Give me a second.
Beautiful. It is a work of art.
Okay. Done. Man, I wish they move all this to computers.
Government's like 10 years behind the rest of the world, right?
Wait a minute.
You hear there's like multiple conversations going on here? Wine!
How do you think?
All good.
Full recovery?
Every last bit.
Making the rest of us look bad.
Making the rest of you look good.
Yeah. You tell him, Drake. Do. What do we got here? An antique arcade token. Oh yeah, we did miss one down there. An antique arcade token? You found a treasure! Found a Chuck E. Cheese token just now. Gives us +5 to health. I guess we're supposed to just kind of like wander around in these like slow spots. You know what I mean? Like if it's fast paced and you're like trying to escape from like people shooting at you, it's a little bit more difficult to find those treasures. The water improvements were highly lauded when it was coming out. Yeah, you can definitely tell. They've stepped it up.
This up later. My hero. Come on, let's go see what you brought us.
All right, let's do this.
Hey, so how about you let someone else be point man next time? You've earned a break.
No, no thanks. I'll take a dive over being at the office any day.
Yeah, well, either way, it's gonna be a while till the next.
He's more of an outdoorsy kind of guy.
What about Thursday's job? Oh, come on, no.
Got underbid.
You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, competition's tough. Let's see here now.
He's like waiting for you to go to his side.
Care to do the honors?
Oh, I get to do the crowbarring.
Yeah, sure.
Gordon Freeman, right here.
Wow. Look at that. We struck copper.
Well, you'd be surprised how much this.
Copper wire.
Client's paying good money for the full cover.
Sure you don't want to just melt it down, make some pennies?
Come on, let's go celebrate. First round's on me.
Bar hopping with you guys? No, no, no. Not unless there's hazard pay. If it's all the same to you, I think I'm just gonna do the paperwork and get home and crash. A rain check, though?
All right, suit yourself. Hey, good work today.
Thanks.
You too. All right, Nate, what did you find? Copper. Chester Copperpot. He was a pro. He didn't make it this far. Look how far we've come, you guys.
Hey, Nate, hold on.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Jameson.
Got a present for you.
Present? What's this?
What you got
Got some
there?
news from a contact about that wreck off the coast of Malaysia.
Oh, no.
The ship's intact.
Yeah?
Cargo's right for the picking.
You are persistent.
Ooh, welcome back, Quicks. We found copper in the crates.
We are all set.
Not much, not very
This
exciting.
The guy I trust for the job, the only one, he's got cold feet.
My feet were never warm to begin with. And tell me, this contact of yours, you get the permits?
No, he did not get the permits. Can't no one get the damn permits.
Of course not.
But Nate, don't you see that works in our favor? No permits means no competition. The ship is ours.
Ooh,
No
the ship
permits
is
means no
ours.
go. Nate,
We're rich.
this is
Gonna make some pennies.
money for the both of us, okay? I don't know about you, but I don't want to be working salvage when I'm 60. Do
Makes
you?
sense.
Sure beats prison. No. Listen, I have to pass. And trust me, so should you.
Okay, just take it with you. Humor me.
I'm
okay?
not going to change my mind.
Oh, then
Yes, you will. You will too, Drake. You will change your mind.
Say hi to Carla and the kids for me,
All
okay?
right. No pressure, Nate. But think about it.
Oh yeah, this is leaps and bounds
Homework on this one.
better than the first. Flip, baby, flip. Flip, baby, flip. Rotate. Rotate. I'm just looking at when he rotates his hand. Look at the wrinkles and the creases. Jeez, man.
Down the search area. It would make a hell of a find.
Zoom? 220? Can't make sense of that. I don't know. Anything else? I guess we'll put it away.
Son of a bitch. No way. You are going with the others.
Come on, Nate. You know you're going to do it. Come on. First, you got to do the truffle shuffle. Chapter 4. A Normal Life. We got about 15 minutes. You think we can beat this in 15 minutes? Drake aged well. He got thick. He's easy on the eyes, isn't he? Ooh, what do we got here?
Big brother some years back.
Ah. That's a reference to the, is it the third game? Where he had to basically climb a statue that was just like this. That's a nice throwback. What else we got? Looking at the paperwork. What does that post-it note say? Right Charlie back. I don't remember who Charlie is. Triangle.
Spanish doubloon found in a German U-boat in the middle of a jungle.
Oh yeah.
Who would have thunk?
This was from the first game. Good times. So they're taking us down memory lane. Basically, he's saying, "Oh man, look at all this cool stuff I used to do. Oh man, I really got to take that job."
Francis Drake takes a bullet for Sully.
Yeah. When was that? Was that the second one? No, that was the first one too. So Sully gets shot, and we think he's dead, but he's not because he got shot in the pocketbook there. All right. What else we got? What is that? What is that? I guess nothing of import. All right, what do we got over here?
Shambhala.
Shambhala. That was the second game, right? That was crazy. No, not you again. There's another triangle. Come on, we got to see it. Yeah, I doubt we're gonna finish this chapter on time, you guys.
So many men killed each other for a piece of this.
Okay, so this was the special like stone that would cause like people to become like superhuman, and in the game we had I think it was the second one, they basically put on like Yeti costumes to like scare away the locals. Lights up. That's pretty cool. Why would you just put it there? That seems a little dangerous, Drake. There was a photo to look at in the journal. So crystal meth. Oh, there's a photo to look at? Oh, we could have inspected it? Shoot.
Nah.
Oh, that was Sam's.
Yeah. Thanks for nothing, St. Dismas.
Oh man, that was brutal. Watching his brother die like that. Wait, so you're saying that there was another thing in the journal? I know. Oh, inspect item. There we go.
Miss you, pal.
Okay, so this was his guide, his Sherpa. He basically helped us get through like the entire mountain. Great game. Tenzin. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so good. All the games are so good. If you ever feel that you can allow yourself to get a PlayStation, I highly recommend these games. Wait, there we go.
Look at us.
Look at us. All right, so zoom. So that's Sully, Elena, and you. And the treasure. We got the treasure. Found this on my old camera. Thought you would like to have it. E stands for Elena. All right. So did we inspect them all? Got the coin. Okay. Yeah, I think we might have to pause here and not go through with most
elaborate puzzles.
Yes. I'm not good at puzzles in Drake's Fortune games. It's the way it goes. It takes me forever. Flip it. Flip it good. Boom. I'm sure this is all exciting. These are all like nostalgic moments from games past that. Oh, bro. That's awesome. Yeah, we'll find a few more. Irem of the Pillars. Royale Inn. Nate, how's things? I've been up to my usual shenanigans. Nothing major, but enough to keep the heat on and the wine stocked. Caught wind of something that sounded right up your alley. Should you ever have changed your mind, give me a yell. I'm always on hand for a quick getaway. Love, Chloe. So Chloe was his love interest in the second game. And she is there was a little bit of a love triangle in the second game. Yeah, move over, Elena. Yep. Yeah, Chloe is definitely
not really my style anymore.
She's fun. She's great with a gun. She's more of the adventurous type. Very they work together on many adventures. And yeah, they made out a lot. Let's see, Jewel M. Put away. I don't remember the context for that one. Do you remember, MK? Chloe is the exotic one, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's a flare gun. That's right. Just kidding. It's a Nerf gun.
Take cover. I'm surrounded. Bullseye.
What is this?
I'm flanking it. Take that.
That's hilarious.
Right. And that. Eat plastic.
Out of ammo. Look for ammo pickups.
No, I'm out of ammo.
What is this?
Back in business.
Hilarious.
Gotcha.
Full. We're full of toy guns.
Yeah, bring it. Like a pro. So long. That'll teach you. See ya.
Oh, we're out of bullets. I love how the music is going. Why did he pick Elena? Because Elena is the one who was there for him when it got tough. Yeah. Chloe was like, she was definitely a fling. They were.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
They were an item for a while, but she just wasn't long-term marriage material, if you know what I mean. This is in his attic. Oh, we're gonna meet Elena. We're gonna meet Elena. Oh my gosh. The detail in this game. Oh! There's laundry on the floor. Let's see, where are we at? Where are we going? What's this? What's this?
Oh, is this what you're working on?
Bangkok travel guide. Curious adventure. Travel guide. Knit. The ultimate travel guide. Full color maps, local history, walking tours. Okay. Cool. Well, it's a travel guide. All right. Right on. Look at the reflection on that. Oh my gosh, this game. Holy smoke. Okay, you got to understand, okay? I have not had a decent graphics card in so long. So this kind of stuff is just like mesmerizing to me. I mean, the PS5 does a pretty good job. I mean, it's no NVIDIA 3080,
Need to
but
go on another vacation.
browse. It shows. Yeah, I know. I just get so captivated by the simplest things. I just love attention to detail with these kinds of things. Even though like in the moment, like I can't like find the thing I'm supposed to find, like I can just like take in the scenery. Mirror. Hey. Dang, I look good. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to just save this before we get into any adventures. But let's meet up with Elena first. Wait, is there anything else over here? Let's look in this room. Well, the house is a mess. Drake doesn't clean up very well, does he? The house, I mean. Ooh. Okay, we see a lot of women's shoes here. It's like she's taking over the closet. This looks like my side of the closet. Look at all those shirts. Triangle. Why is this house so dirty? Nathan Fillion would have winked at himself. Yeah, absolutely. Ah, there is the wedding photos. Sully, the best man. There he is. Looks like... Is that Chloe on the left? Chloe would have gone to their wedding, right? Probably. Oh, the music. Music changed. Wedding music. Yeah, this house is so dirty. She loves taupe and blush. Cool, ain't no way to be cool. That's funny. Elena was never like... She was definitely low maintenance. But she had a charm, you know? And that's probably what Drake sees in her, you know? I mean, she's pretty too. Let's see. What is that? Oh, you can zoom with L2. Can't read that though. That's something. Pixie Puffs? Oh, we have children. Water cooler. Playlist 4, MP3.
You were out there a long time.
There we
I
go.
was researching something.
Hey,
Is
Elena.
that what we're calling it these days?
I was.
She's good in these games.
Hey, would you mind grabbing the food? I'm just wrapping up here.
No, yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
What you doing, Elena? So that was their way of telling you what happened in the interim. Yeah, pretty much. That was the recap. They were not married at the end of 3. This is 15 years later. Yeah, that's true. They didn't get married during the third game.
And done. Okay. Oh.
Finish it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, it's probably too long and full of typos, but that's what editors do,
Someone
right?
pick up the laundry and mail.
Looks good.
Mm-hmm. Don't.
How could you live like this?
What?
Hmm?
Got none of that.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. How was your day?
Oh, it was fine.
Mm-hmm.
Typical day in paradise.
Mm-hmm.
I got to pull a bunch of garbage out of a river.
Mm.
Yes.
At least you got to go for a swim.
The glory days are over, Nate.
Oh, it was a brilliant stuff. It was a early 21st century truck we got. Apparently the natives called it a semi.
Oh, dear Lord.
So, boring stuff. Tell me about the article.
Well, it started out as this fluff piece about tourism in Bangkok, but I don't think the magazine is going to like the angle that I'm taking because everyone immediately commented about how rude the smog was, that it was like shock to the lungs, like the second that you got.
Uh-oh, Nate, you're not listening. Classic. Oh, he's thinking about it. He's gonna go for it. Nate, are you even listening to me?
Ah.
What?
Where are you?
She asked you a question, dude.
Here, being stabbed with a fork.
Oh, really?
What? Just keep going. It was interesting.
Oh, that was a weird pop.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting. What's my article about?
What? This one?
Mm-hmm.
Those eyes. Oh no. They're all gonna be wrong, aren't they? The lost city of Bangkok, probably not. People of Bangkok, flights in Bangkok? People of Bangkok.
The people of Bangkok. And the smog and how they can't get a flight anywhere and people can't breathe.
Wow.
All right, I'm sorry.
No, it was valiant.
I was in the
really
ballpark, right?
in a different state, but yeah, you were in a ballpark.
Womp womp. We were daydreaming.
Jameson asked you about that Malaysia job again.
Jameson always asks me about the Malaysia.
The eyes are really well done.
Nate, I really think that you should take it.
You know what? I don't want it. Really. I mean, he doesn't have the permits. And we agreed we're not going to take that kind of work anymore. It's just not worth it.
It doesn't sound that risky. All right? If it's just a permit.
No way.
You could call Sullivan.
Oh yeah, the mocap?
Elena,
Most definitely.
Could we please drop this?
Okay, I just don't want you to not take it because of me.
I'm not taking it because of me, okay? I appreciate the gesture. It's just
Too technically. No, that was right. That was right.
I'm gonna go ahead and do
Mocap.
the dishes.
no, stop. I'll do them. No,
You
hold
did
on.
them last night.
No, you cooked. I cleaned. It's fine. I mean, at least,
Please-
let me.
No, Quicks, I didn't quite get it.
Play you for it.
It is so natural. That they've nailed these
TV
faces.
game thing. I bet I can beat your high score.
You think that you can beat my high score on my TV game thing?
Yeah, I think you're scared now.
You don't even know what it's called.
I don't need to know what it's called. I've seen you play. It's
Right.
jumping and running, and I have a natural talent for that.
really?
So, what do you say? Chicken? Is it a bet?
Oh wow. Okay, Cowboy.
Oh,
Okay.
you guys, it's an old. It's a PS1.
Oh, I'm learning all right.
No way. Oh my gosh,
No, it has to load.
Load.
Yes.
that's incredible.
Long time.
You have no patience.
Are you going to Inception yourself? Play a game in a game? Oh my gosh. Crash Bandicoot! No way! They have Crash Bandicoot in this game?
Is there a problem?
No, just how do you make it go?
Push the start button.
I knew that.
All right.
I got it.
Okay, so you want to run towards the camera.
Run to the camera.
Oh yeah, I'm playing a game in a game right now.
button is your
This is me. Jump. Oh my gosh, I'm playing Crash Bandicoot right now. That is hilarious.
Okay, run away from the boulder.
Why is the boulder chasing me?
Just run away from it.
I did nothing to this boulder.
Use your spin attack.
Which button?
Circle spin attack.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This is the best.
Right? What is that thing? A fox?
A bandicoot.
Ah!
It's like a fox.
Ah!
Okay, smash the boxes.
Ow! Oh, that had to hurt.
I died.
Probably hurt.
So why do you keep playing this?
Because I'm really great at it.
I don't know why people get into video games.
Come on, Drake. That's meta. This is the greatest thing in the world.
By the way, foxes can't do this.
It's a bandicoot.
That doesn't look anything like a bandicoot.
Have you ever seen a bandicoot?
All right, Jake, you're losing me.
What happened? I don't know.
He was number one, but he just got downgraded for not liking video games.
He should learn to climb. Climbing's always helped me.
Last life. You gotta make it count.
Totally gonna
Oh,
die.
so bad at this.
He's like maybe top 10 now, maybe.
Bandicoot.
I'm dead. That is gold, you guys. That was really fun.
What?
I can't believe that.
Is that it?
You asked for it. Oh.
You gotta be kidding me. I practically had it.
You can
He's
get
an
me your
IRL
stuff.
guy.
Come on, double or nothing. My car could really use a good
Really?
cleaning.
Really, you gonna start
Yeah.
the smack talk
There's
now?
this mode called easy mode. I just switch it.
Nope, just keep talking. Keep talking.
What are you gonna do?
I'm warning
What are
you.
you gonna do?
I'm warning
In
you.
real life, what
Hey,
can you do?
I'm
Show
telling
me.
you.
What can you
I'm
do
telling
in
you.
real life?
What do you think about that? Huh?
Hey now.
Hey, are you happy?
Yeah, of course. You? Really?
Come here.
Well. Mission objective complete. The lions are so good, yeah, definitely.
Not open yet.
I thought I was about to watch Cap 6 in your stream. Yeah,
Closed.
we don't do that here. not in these games.
right, I'm
There's
coming.
always a very respectable fade to black.
Asshole.
Even with the Chloe scene,
Yeah, can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for my little brother.
What?
It's about your height, a little bit leaner, definitely less gray in the temples.
Sam?
It's good to see you again, Nathan.
No way.
God, Sam.
Oh, all right. Take it easy. Take it easy.
All this time, he thought 15 years?
I thought you... I saw you get shot.
Yes, you did.
He like spat out blood too.
Jesus.
No way.
Well, the doctors, they patched me up and they tossed me right back into the cell.
Yeah, but I made calls. I checked everywhere. Everything I heard, everything I found, it all confirmed you were dead.
Well, Nathan, we killed a guard. Okay, so they wanted to see me rot in that cell for the rest of my life, and I knew
You got a
that.
neck tattoo.
Jesus, Sam, man, if I had known,
He was in there for a while.
I swear to you, I would have
You
come
would have
out.
come back. I know, Nathan. I know. What's important now, though, is that I'm out.
Dang.
Hey, you still with me?
This is a lot to take in.
Need some air.
Wow.
You're not gonna pass out on me or nothing, are you?
I just might.
Did he just let himself in? Oh no, he's at his place of business.
How did you get out? When did you get out? How'd you even get here? Find me?
All right. Slow down. Hey, have a seat.
His face, he could be anybody.
Yeah. What's to tell?
I mean, like the actor that could play this part.
Contacts. Tell me some pretty crazy ass stories.
Jeez, what crazy stories.
Luke Perry.
Shot,
Luke Perry could,
hanging from a derailed train.
had he still been living, could play him.
Yeah, that actually happened.
Come on, man. What did I miss?
Jeez, Sam, where do I start?
Start with the best part.
Yeah. What do we tell him? Let's tell him I found El Dorado.
Okay. Do you remember the theory that we had that Sir Francis Drake faked his own death?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, he did. I found the coffin.
Off the coast of Panama?
Yeah. All right, now get this. Okay, I open it up, right? And there's no body, but the bottom.
No way. So like, depending on what you choose, you have like a different conversation for this. That's so cool. What a great
What can I
detail.
say? Another lost city destroyed, and we made it out alive. Barely.
They've been talking all night.
Unbelievable.
This is good.
Yeah.
What time we're at, guys? 1:10.
I wish you could have been there.
No, it's literally unbelievable. You tell me you stumble upon yet another archaeological gold mine, and somehow you manage to walk away with nothing.
Yeah. The stories in these games
Story
are
of
awesome.
my life, I guess.
The writing is so good.
But you know, I managed to grab a few trinkets here and there.
A few
Paid
shinies.
off the car, the house, engagement ring, the engagement ring. I'm married. I can't believe Elena from the stories. That's my wife. You got to come meet her tonight. Dinner at my place. You're coming to dinner. I can tell her all about you. Shit, I got to tell her all about you.
Hey, I'm in a lot of trouble here.
Nobody can know I'm alive.
What? What are you talking about? What kind of trouble?
Does the name Hector Alcazar ring a bell with you?
Yeah, he's the drug lord.
Oh,
Butcher
the
of
drug lord.
Panama, right?
The
Why?
butcher.
It's a funny story, but last year he was my cellmate. So this is how I got out of prison.
Wait, do we play as Sam?
Well, you're not reading tonight? Samuel, come here. Guards. They're singing.
Well, they're probably drunk.
Perhaps. But they are content. How can they be content with their small lives? Their miserable jobs?
I mean, they have wives to go home to. What do we got? Huh? No offense.
We?
have ambition.
Mm.
And when we get out of here,
We're gonna make a break for it.
that ambition will take us to places these idiots cannot even imagine.
Yeah, well, amen to your optimism.
What will you do when you get out, Samuel?
Find my brother.
That's if I get out of here. I'm sure you can imagine.
I can. But I want to hear you say it.
Huh.
I will find the greatest pirate treasure of all time, which I'm sure you are sick of hearing about by now.
Oh, no. The tale of Henry Avery and his 400 million in jewels and gold has become a sweet lullaby for me. Do you really think you can find it?
Maybe.
Given the opportunity?
It's a big fire downtown.
Absolutely.
Ambition. What is that Avery quote?
I am a man of fortune, and I must seek my fortune.
Ah, that was in the beginning. You guys remember?
How he thinks.
The beginning quote.
What the hell was that?
The opportunity of a lifetime.
Señor Alcázar, un gusto verlo.
Sáqueme de aquí.
Oh.
¿Qué hacemos con él?
Samuel, are you ready to seek your fortune?
Oh, we're gonna break out. Okay, guys, it's late. I'm probably gonna stop right here.
Vámonos.
I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be playing as Sam. Yeah, we're playing as Sam. The camera pans out. You know that's what's happening because in the Nathan Fillion thing, did you see like when the camera panned behind him? That was the coolest thing. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, hey, UKSNFHDHG. All right, I'm in 14 level. Hello, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. The pan to the video game shot. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's incredible. Okay, chapter 5. Okay, so we're gonna break for tonight, you guys. And we'll continue this on Tuesday. So what I plan to do is go through this game. We'll probably finish within the next 2 weeks because these games are typically, like I said, 10 to 15 hours. So that's what we'll do. Whoa, thank you. Yeah, we got a lot of followers just now. Thanks, you guys. Thank you. UKSNFHDHG and AB1 Amir. Thank you so much. Appreciate you you joining the stream. We've been having fun with Drake's Fortune, Uncharted 4. And what we're gonna do is I apologize you came in just at the end time here, but we are going to pause for tonight and continue. It's getting late for me, so I really gotta sleep. But I will be back on Tuesday, starting at 9 o'clock Pacific time, and we're gonna continue our thing of SwiftUI. And now that we know a little bit more about the game, we'll probably do a little bit more. Check out the options, you guys. Do you see? We made this. We made this menu today. So we're gonna do a little bit more on Tuesday, and continue with this awesome story. So thank you, bro, for the applause, and really appreciate you guys sticking around tonight. Hope you had a great night. Quicks, what do you think? This is a thumbs up. It's a great series. Take care of you guys. Have a great night. We'll see you again soon.